Thank you for watching Progressive Sophistication Display. How is it going, everybody? Hello, 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 hello. How is it going? How's it going? How's it going? I am feeling I'm feeling all right. I'm feeling all right. Anyhow, today we're gonna do a little bit of NeetCode stuff, a little bit of Sonic Advance. But yeah, no, it's been I had a hell of a time driving to get like gas and whatnot. I have not been taking care of myself very well recently, and it's like I finally ate, and now I feel kind of tired, but less tired, But I feel like I could solve at least one leak code problem or like neat code problem because what, by the way, it is a how do you say an easier version of this. Yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir. I know, right? I know, right? It's thank you for coming to more of my technical streams. It's like, I know this one doesn't get much, but I do this for my own sanity, to make me feel like I'm actually doing something. And actually, I do learn a couple things doing this too. Um, but yeah. So the idea here is we'll do one of these, right? We'll just do one of these, and then we'll do the Sonic Advance game or something like that. But yeah, though I really wish I didn't go outside. I almost crashed my car into someone else. I almost slid it into someone else. I was just sliding all over the place in my van. It was dark, it was cold, it was just, and it was like it took me like an hour just to get the gas that I needed so I could like get my stove working again so I can cook food and have healthy food and not feel like terrible. It's but yeah. I think I'm gonna go out and go sledding because I need to go get exercise and I don't know what else to do in the wintertime, because I'm gonna go insane if I don't get exercise. I literally get like chest pain if I don't go do anything. It's weird, it's like, hey, my body's like going to suffocate itself if I don't move, it sucks, but yeah, maybe that's just how I am, I don't know if that's a bad thing or not, but yeah. Anyhow, let's get that music on. Let's get that music going, But yeah. Is that going? Is that going? Yeah, going. Is it playing? Yeah. I'm gonna do it in one ear and out the other. Alrighty then. Let's take a look at our first problem. Melee, sorry for not being in other streams. I had to talk in a completely straight way with my friend, and that's also why I changed my profile pic. Wait, yeah, I was wondering what's going on there. Like what? Like why were you changing your profile picture? I was kind of curious. Was that hopefully it wasn't like too serious? I don't know what's going on, but I hope not. Let me just let me set this I think I want this one. I think I like corn dogs. Corn dogs is better. I like corn dogs. Corn dogs is just and it just makes sense for the type of stream that I'm doing, honestly. So yeah. Ba, 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 ba. Okay. Alright, products except for array self. Oh, products of array except for self. Okay. Given the integer array nums, return an array output where output I is a product of all the elements of nums except nums I. I'm not sure what the hell that means. So like, I guess an example, we get an array of nums and then follow up, could you solve it with O of n time without using the division operation? What? Why would I use division? Each product is guaranteed to fit into a 32-bit integer. Nah, I only changed my profile picture because I play with him at a game named Sky Children's of the Sky or something like that. I don't remember how it was called. Ah, wow. Should I play it? Should I play it? Is it free? Should I get it? Should I get it? Should I try it? Should I try it? Should I try it? I don't know. But yeah. I feel a little bit better. Yeah, I think I feel good enough to solve an issue. Hello, Sponta. It's good to see you again. Let's see. So like, here's what I don't understand. Given the array numbers, return an array output where output I is the product of all the elements of nums except nums I. Okay. And it handles low performance devices like phone and is online. Ooh, that could be fun. You should drop it in the stream ideas. Drop it in stream ideas. Yeah. I don't understand what this is though. I also have a viewer that recommends me a lot of everyday Sky Children or whatever it's called. It seems really funny to play together. Oh yeah, yeah. You think it's funny? You think it's funny? Meow. See here. Yeah, I'll definitely consider that. All right. I don't know. Maybe I should just sit and do talkies for a bit. Because I don't exactly understand what they want. I guess what I'm guessing is what I'm guessing here is that they want let's see. So like I guess maybe you like go through all the nums. Fanui, yeah. Right. I mean, we're getting an array called nums, right? And then we need to return a number array. So it's like, I guess, 1, 48, 2, 24, 4, 12, 4, 8. This is what I don't understand. It's like a product of all the elements of nums except nums I? Like, what does that even mean? I don't understand. I don't understand what this, I literally don't understand what the fuck this means. Okay. Like, what am I even supposed to multiply it by? So, like, 1 equals 48, 2 is 24 or some shit? Like, what? Okay, output where output I is the product of all elements of nums. The product of all, like I would if I would be able to solve this if I actually understood what they actually wanted me to do. Okay. Maybe I could ask ChatGPT what he fucking wants. Okay. Return array output where output I guess I is the product of all the elements of nums. So like, I don't know. So if we took, so I is the product of all the elements of nums except nums I. So like maybe if we took 1 times 2 is 2 and 2 times 4 is 8 and 8 times 6 is 48, right? And then wait, 2 times 4 is 4. No, 2 times 4 is 8 and then 8 times 6. Yeah, 2 times 4 is 8 and 8 times 6 is that's fucked, man. I typed the game and stream ideas. Yay! Thank you. So like I'm trying to figure out how they have this set up here. Because I think it's like you multiply the whole list together starting from this index, right? That's what I'm thinking. So like, because like we could get 48, right, if we did 1 times 2 times 4 times 6, right? So if I just brought out kcalc, right? Let's get kcalc out here. Can I? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get kcalc out here. So let's see, my little calculator application. So if I said 1 times 2 times 4 times 6, that will give us 48. And then, okay, let's see, array output, where output I is the product of all the elements of nums except nums I. Oh, okay. So I see. So we just do. That's interesting. Okay, I think I understand now. So what happens is we iterate over the set, right? It wants us to iterate over this number set, right? And then say we start at 1, we multiply it by everything else except 1, right? Because 2, so if we had 2 times 4 times 6, that would give us 48, right? Now if we move to the second one, let's say we move to 2, right? So we would say 1 times 4 times 6. So 1 times 4 times 6 equals 24. Thus, we get 24. Move to 4. 2 times 6 times 1 is 12. Move to 6. 4 times 2 times 1 is 8. There we go. So I think I understand how this is supposed to work. Okay, now that I understand this, now we can actually solve the problem. Okay, cool. So I'm mathematical fun. I know, right? It's more like just figuring out what they actually want, you know? It's like it's written in such a way I'm not used to like seeing questions like this, you know. There's actually this guy on YouTube. He basically his half of his channel content is just making fun of software engineers that don't know how to answer basic interview questions, and then people just like fucking, you know, just rag on them. I basically be preparing myself for those kinds of questions. So yeah, this guy treats LeetCode like it's fucking gospel and shit, which is kind of retarded. He's like, do you know what a linked list is? And I'm just like, I'm aware of what a linked list is, but I've never needed to use a linked list ever. So, you know, like I've never needed to use that. So, oh shit, why is my water bland? That's weird. Okay. Okay, so I know, right? I got my water. I'm not. I can't do this without water. Fine, I'll drink water. I should have like a water redeem at some point. Just like hashtag drink water. Oh, and it still tastes like bland as fuck. Hold on. Let me stir that a bit. I got this like green apple, this like Walmart brand green apple clear stuff because I don't like dyes in my drink mixes. Red dye is supposed to make you even more autistic and make it worse. It's supposed to, like, I don't know. It brings out the ADHD in people, and boy, did my favorite Kool-Aid when I was a kid was the red Kool-Aid. I should have never drank the red Kool-Aid. That was probably half of my behavior issues, to be honest. The red Kool-Aid is bad if you're autistic. Alright, let's see. So, let's say we get nums. So what we need to do, I think we could do like an accumulator or something. Like, this would be like a great way to use reduce, I think. So that's what I'm thinking, because what we need to do is we need to take the array, right? We need a loop over this array, obviously, and we're going to need an output array. So we're going to say let output array. I'm just going to label it like this, right? So equal this, right? And we're just going to put all of our stuff in there, pretty much. So, yep. And all right, add comments on the code for no reason as an Easter egg. I mean, actually, it's actually kind of useful to do this. So like, yeah, so use output array to store output. I mean, it's kind of pointless to do it that way, but we could also do stuff like, you know, this and I like to, personally, my comment styles, I like to do something like, whenever I denote a section of code, like, this code here, or like here, like whenever I like to denote a section, I like to do it like this, because it looks pretty, you know, and because I'm that sick fuck that doesn't put, I like to do it all in one file if I can. I'm one of those sick fucks that do that. So I will literally just be like, oh yeah, this portion of the code here, or this portion of the code here. Like, literally, you tap, or you just type diss track lyrics inside of it. I mean, I've had error conditions like output penis or something. So as a error code, so I could keep myself interested in the project, and I'd be like, huh, I recognize that error code, penis error code, got it. Okay, that means it's doing this. Ironically, I ended up working for someone that also had a penis error code. Lol, it's great. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know if I would put song lyrics in there. Most of the reason I put code in like comments is to like, you know, describe what the code's doing and whatnot. Yeah. I put my PP here. Okay. I put PP. Like PP error code here. Lol. Yeah, I did that. I did that in college, and then I worked at a real job that actually put a PP error code in. Different names of peanuts. Yeah. Oh, you mean, well, I mean, that's one way to look at it. Anyway, let's see. We need to go over num. So I think we can do 4n as something. I think 4n is what we want. For let I, let's just say n in nums. And whenever I use 4n, the reason I'm not using 4of is because we're dealing with numbers, right? And whenever we use 4of is going to use the string data type, and it's fucking annoying, especially if you're doing math on strings, and you should never do math on strings. So yes, so we'll just say let number, and I do this all the time, equal, just so each iteration I have access to the number, and I don't have to do this bullshit nums n. Right, like, so I don't have to type this shit all the time. I fucking hate doing that within 4in loops. It's so annoying. So I always do this pattern, just because I don't necessarily need that variable there sometimes, but, you know, I put it there anyway. So yeah. Different names on Peanuts code. Is that mechanophilia? I don't know. I would call it, I don't know what I would call that. That's interesting questions I'm being asked in my chat right now. I don't know what I would call that. Okay, so let's see, we have number, nums, and this is like interview questions you'll get asked on a job most likely. Like half of these questions I'm solving on NeetCode, you'll probably see at a tech interview. So yeah, I haven't seen them yet for like how do you say like contract interviews, because contractors, they just want to see your portfolio, and if they see you did something, you know, and then they're just like, oh yeah, you're chill, it's great, okay, do our work for us, we'll try it out, we'll try you out for a bit, and then we'll fire you later if we don't like you, pretty much. I'm a femboy magnet, I know. Javaphilia is sexual attraction to JavaScript. Yeah, JavaScriptophiliac, JavaScriptophilia, I don't know, it's like codophiliac, I don't know. Cryptophiliac, maybe? No, that has different connotations, I think. Scriptophiliac. A philia for script languages. A job will ask you specifically why you have a harem of boys following you melee. I mean, I don't know. I guess they just really like me, I guess. I don't know why I have a harem of boys following me. I guess, you know, you can call me King of the Lost Boys or something. I don't know. I don't know. I just do. Melee is a femboy maker, femboy magnet? Maybe. I don't know. I do encourage the sock wearies. I do encourage the sockies. I don't usually... I do encourage these. I need to fix this. I hate this. I need to fix... I wish I could have green on my model, but the green screen doesn't let me, and I hate it. I hate it. I need to find some way to get transparency over to OBS. Maybe it's like a Windows thing, but I don't know. I use Linux because it's cool. I'm just using Linux because I think it's cool. Let's see. I haven't even like iterated over the fucking array yet, so yeah. Let num and nums, so number, nums, n, right? So what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? If the number in question, if the number, right, does not equal itself, actually, right? Oh, this is a good question. So like, I know, right? So here's the thing, right? So we're looking at this, and so what's supposed to happen is we are at index 1. We need to take everything here and take the product of that, so, and return the product for each thing. But yeah, and that's going to be for each one. So at each one job interview, why are you gay? I'm not gay. I never said I was gay. I mean, do you want me to be gay at a Silicon Valley? I'm not gay. I'm not okay. I'm not gay. I'm not gay. I'm just a programmer. I just like to program. Oh my fucking god. You guys are mean. I'm trying to solve this. Oh my fucking god. Let's see here. Alright. So, if number equals nums n. No! Okay. So, like, each time, I'm gonna ignore that code for a bit. So, let me think here. We could just take an array of nums, right? We could just do something stupid, like, what we could do is we could say output array. This is kind of cheesing it a little bit. Output array dot push, and then we'll say something like, we need the everything but the current index, right? So we need everything plus but the current index. So we'll say nums n. Oh, this is difficult actually, because the thing is, it would be better if we had like a hash map, right? So if we had like a hash map, we could just I don't know. We'd have access to all the numbers by number too. We have to solve this in O of n time, right? So if we solve this in O of n time, that would probably be the best way to do it, right? Because in this section, right, the section we're working in is supposed to use hash maps and arrays. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking here. So my thought process now is actually we could just with American tape? American? What do you mean American tape? Hello, KM! Hello! It's good to see you, oh my gosh. You came in at an interesting time. We're doing some NeetCode. We're doing some coding puzzles at the time. I'm trying to figure out tape fix with tape 2. I love tape, actually. Tape is great, honestly. I love duct tape. But it has to be good duct tape. You ever get that VTuber done, KM? How you been? I bet you've been really busy lately. It's cold as fuck over here. I'm sure it's warm wherever you're at. On the equator. I always wonder if it ever snowed in the Philippines. I don't think it does, to be honest. Okay, so like I'm thinking we could do everything. How do I because like I could make a map. Just videotaping a dance video for TikTok, which, by the way, got 375 followers. Whoa! Congratulations, KM. Congratulations. That's wonderful. I wish I was that cool. That's like how much I got in like a year. Oh my god. Oops, you messed up. Wish I could become a neat. Oh, hello! How are you doing? Oops, you messed up. How you doing? Oops, you messed up. It doesn't, sadly. If it did, bye-bye, Philippines. No! If it snowed in the... I'm sure it'd be fine. Hello, oops, you messed up. How you doing? How you doing? I said that again, but you know. Anyhow, I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this, because, like, I could do it a really stupid way. Because I could probably just take nums n, right? Minus, I could, like, do a map, right? And I could say nums.map, right? And I could say x, return everything that isn't the current iterator, right? We could return everything that isn't the current index. And then we just do like an array merge after that, and then we get our number, right? So we just kind of add up the whole number or something like that, and then we could do it like that. However, we're doing a map operation on everything. It's not efficient, is what I'm saying. It's not going to be done in O of n time, you know. So yeah. So like, I'm not doing that good, but I don't really. Oh no, I totally get it. How are you doing? I almost died today. I almost crashed into a car and trying to get fuel for my my stove. Right, I almost did that, and then I got really tired. I ate. I felt good. You know, I've been pretty peaceful. You know, everything's been, you know, pretty peaceful. Been pretty chill. You know, been pretty happy about it. You know. I'm a little tired, but I'm definitely doing better than what I was. I definitely feel a lot better having some food in me, you know. So yeah, but yeah, but yeah. Do you like coding too? Oops, you messed up. Are you a coder? Are you a coder like me? So we could say that, you know. But yeah, I think we should do. Yeah. I almost got ran over by a car last week. Small world. Ah! It's snowing where you're at too. It's cold as fuck here. Looks pretty though. I think I might go sledding tomorrow because I need to exercise and I'm gonna look cringe doing it, but I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't know shit about coding, lol. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Me too sometimes. um, anyhow, I am gonna be playing Sonic Advance later after I solve this. I mean, I could, you know, I Southeast Asia, Southeast Asia. Oh boy. That's I hear that's where a lot of sand trade happens. Is there a lot of sand where you're at? Can I borrow some sand to make some buildings with? All right, night, Insidious Bass. This was great to see you. Oh my gosh, that's great to see you. Oh my god. Wow. Let's see, X, right, and then we return everything. Let's see, that does not equal N. I think, right? Insidious is always sleepy femboy. Yeah, Insidious always is. I always stream really late, I think, and Insidious is up later, and I stay up all night coding or like, you know, hanging out with Sponta and shiz or whatnot. Yes, I was going with sleepers, but I saw your stream, so I stopped. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh. I want to finish that game so bad. I want to finish that Wheel of Fortune game so bad, so I can like collab with people. That'd be so cool. You know, it'd be so cool to see people like collabing on a game that I made. You know, yay! Thank you. It's so good to have you. Okay. Num's map. Let's see here. Up array mounts. We could push Num's map, and we could say. Return everything what n does not equal x, and then, right, hold on. Then we say join, or I think there's a way to like, hold on, let me check something here. Let me check something. Oh yeah, we're gonna play this game here later after we. You know, I'm just gonna solve this game in the most stupid way possible. And then we'll check the solution. How about that? I think that'll be the most expedient. So, let's go to mdn.com. Array methods. JavaScript array methods are like the best. I fucking love array methods in JavaScript. Oh yeah. Yeah. Don't know what I would do with that. I use array methods all the time. But not always. Let's see. Let's see what I want. I think what I want is join. I think I want join. Maybe it's not join. Maybe it's like, oh, okay, no, that's not what I want. Let's see. see, we could do reduce maybe? We could do reduce maybe. Maybe we could try reduce, right? I know, right? Yeah. I should show my game. I want to show my game at some point, but it's not ready yet. I don't have the logic done yet for like even one person, but it's so close, honestly. I guess I could show the code maybe. I could show how it works, but like I'd have to open a couple terminals. I could do that. So like here we have array reduce, so we could do, after we do, you know, map, we could do reduce, right? And so we would have our accumulator at current value, and then we just basically say the accumulator plus current value in the initial value, I think. So like we have our array here, right? You know, 0 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then the output would be 10 because they'd all add themselves together. However, we have to multiply them all together. So I guess it would be accumulator times the current value or something. Right? Except and the initial value would have to be the first number in the array, right? Right. Let's see if we can actually get that to work. So we'll try reduce. We'll do a map and reduce. Map reduce, right? It's pretty popular around the JavaScript parts. It's like, oh, I love my map reduce. Yeah. So we'll do a map reduce. Let's see, callback function x, and x is just whatever the fuck. So we'll say reduce accumulator current value. I'm just gonna call it. I'm gonna say ACC and current is what I'm gonna say. So I'm gonna say accumulator current, and then initiate their function. I'm gonna kind of do this inline. Oh, okay. I guess not. I'm literally like, let's see. People who code are so cool to me, to be honest. I tried JavaScript on my dad's laptop one time, and I wanted to KMS. Oh God, you should have. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you didn't. If you started with C++, man, I can't even return to C anymore because like. I got frustrated because of a linker error, and like I not even ChatGPT could help me solve it, honestly. And like that, so I use languages like Rust and like Dlang because that's the only thing I can do as far as a systems language goes. Like, as far as I'm concerned, C++ is dead to me. It's dead to me. I mean, even though I say as I use the TCP IP stack and the UDP stack for my WebSockets, I say as I use my C compiled libraries and functions in Node.js for JavaScript and Python. You really can't escape C, even if you're. Oh wow. Oh Jesus, my jacket just fell off my chair. But it's a accumulator current. Let's see what we got here. And then accumulator, we want to do accumulator times current value, right? Right? Because we're kind of doing like a factorial almost. So we'll say function. There we go. Oh wait, we don't need to do that. So we can just say something like, but yeah, no, JavaScript isn't super hard, especially now we have you know, AI to do it. But you know, it's better to do it with your brain after all, because like, you know, AI will hallucinate stuff and whatnot. So this is one of those things where I'm trying to use my brain and not use AI for, you know. Although I will admit there are some problems where I'm just kind of like, hey, here's my data structure, ChatGPT. I need this to happen. How do I do that? Like I'm the most base fox ever. Right? So like we just go to my ChatGPT, right? And we just look at my some of the things I've done, right? Oh, free type dependency. Yeah, stuff like this. You know, I've asked. This did not help, by the way. That didn't help me, by the way. Let's see. I asked it. Let's see. To make. I asked it to see if it could. What was I? Doing, oh yeah, that's right. I was doing I was trying to figure out if I could like put space in between uh an element with like inner HTML or something highly specific. I mean, yeah, AI can code a little bit. It can't really build applications. That's why otherwise I would have been done with that game by now. So, you know, believe me, I've tried. I've been living off Acorn Squash. Let's see, segfault analysis. I was trying. This is when I was trying to build. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. This is what I wanted to show you. So like, this is like the best way to use AI, by the way, if you know what you're doing, I believe. So like, here we go. Here's the initial query. It's like, okay, here's my data, ChatGPT. I have a data structure like this. I need to select one of these based on the ID and do an update operation to 500 points. How would I do this in JavaScript? And, you know, it gives me array find. You can do a find, and apparently that works because you can update the reference and it just updates the list directly, you know, which is kind of cool. I did not use this solution. And I tried it out in my browser, and it actually worked, by the way. I tried it out in my browser. And I asked it, so why does this work? Because, like, when I looked at this code, I was reading it, I was just like, how is this supposed to update the points? Like, how does it do this? You know? And it's like, well, it updates the reference because whenever you use find method in JavaScript, you get a reference to whatever you found, right? And then you can update that reference and it updates the original list. It mutates the data directly, right? Which can be a good thing, can be a bad thing. In most cases, I think it's a bad thing. So I say, well, I don't want to mutate the object, right? I don't see it directly modifies the object. And I'm just like, it also explains mutating the array. And I'm just like, well, how would the solution, it gives me another strategy, like performance on large arrays. Well, find is efficient. You could try map. And I was like, well, how do you do it in map, right? It does the solution in map, right? Which is a lot more efficient. You do it by reference. You don't directly edit the array, which makes it immutable, which is good, you know? So yeah. And that's what I used in the project. So yeah. And I also suggested, hey, what if I want to use filter instead? Because I was trying to use filter originally. I like filter, to be honest. Filter is one of my favorite. It's the first thing I reach for in JavaScript. I don't usually reach for map. I always reach for filter in most cases. But yeah, I really got to stop doing that because some things can be really solved better with map and be solved better with find, honestly, you know. But yeah, that's just a little example of how I use AI as a programmer. I don't know if this is the best way to use it, but that's how I use it anyway. I think it's the best way to use it. So, but yeah. So AI is great for code because AI searches every result in the world, but somehow AI is still dumb and the filter makes AI even dumber. I know, right? Hello to Swaggy Boy. You know, so like, yeah. Hold on, let me get this. Let me fix that. So we accumulator times current value, right? So it would be accumulator times current and initial value. Do we need an initial value, honestly? I don't know. Do we need an initial value? I guess we're gonna find out, aren't we? So we'll console.log. We're not going to return the output array, but we're going to console.log our output array. So we can actually see the structure of it. Let's see. I did not understand any of that. Thanks anyway. Thank you anyway. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We could do like a JavaScript. One of these days, maybe I should revisit that JavaScript free code camp class, and we could try that. You know, that might be a bit better for more people, I think. I think that would be a lot better, honestly. This is like after you've learned JavaScript and more like you're trying to get a job. So yeah. Sorry I missed last stream. My sleep schedule is like ploopy. Oh, you and me both, the Swaggy Boy. Oh my gosh. You and me both, honestly. Okay, standard error. What do we have? Standard out. Okay, that's not what I wanted. I don't want this. Because what we should have had is we should have had... let's see. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how to use reduce on this one. So I guess there might be another method we could do, I think. Let's see. Bite him. Bite, 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 bite. Not too hard, though. Not too hard, though. Not too hard, though. Just, yeah. Let's see. Maybe we could do... There's got to be a way to do this to, like, where we can just, like, converge it or something. You know, like, if we have an array of numbers, we should be able to just multiply them together, shouldn't we? You know? You know? See, find last, find, filter, fill, every... For each, maybe? Keys, last index of, pop, push, reduce. Reduce right? I wonder what that means. Let's see, reduce right, accumulator current value, accumulator concat current value, right? So we take an input array of arrays and then outputs as 4, 5, 2, 3, 0, 1. That's weird. Now in YouTube. YouTube. Oh my gosh. Let's see here. Reverse, we try. I don't know, I feel like maybe I'm just doing it wrong. Yeah, maybe there's like a way to do reduce. Or I'm just doing it wrong. I'm just doing it wrong. Let's see. Parameters, let's just see. The accumulator is the value resulting from a previous call to the callback function. On the first call, its value of initial value is if the latter is specified. Otherwise, its value is array 0, which in theory should be the first one, which would make sense. The initial value by default should be array 0, right? So what should happen, right, is that we get what? How about instead of doing this first, instead of doing the reduce first, let's go ahead and get rid of this, right? Let's see what's going on. If I can just cut this, please. Let me cut this. Let's see what's going on in nums.map, right? Let's see what's going on here. Melee, are you seeing code manual? Are you learning? I think I'm learning a little bit. I'm learning how to use reduce in more ways that I never thought possible. Let's see. Okay, input is nums. Interesting. So we're getting booleans instead of numbers, which is not what we want. Oh my god, we don't want that. So we don't want true or false. What we want is oh my god. That's terrible. That's hilarious. Look at this shit. No, we don't want this. See, I knew something was wrong. Why? Because that should have worked. I was like, why isn't that working? And so I go to the, I go here, right? It's like, well, the first value of the accumulator should be the first part of the array, right? So it's like, and I look at what I'm getting from map, and it's all this bullshit. June 19th, 2025, Los Angeles. Remember that date. Why? Why would I want to remember that date? Wait. That's in the future. Pretty sure that's in the future. Pretty sure that's in the future, buddy. Okay. So I guess I need to figure out, maybe we could do filter. Let's try filter and see what happens. Where n does not equal x. Let's see what happens when we do that. Okay. And there we go. Okay, cool. So we get this. We get 246. When we get 146, 1246. And our input array is okay. There's one small issue with that. There's one small issue with this. In this first array, right? I don't know. It should only be it should only be 3, right? Because like, oh, I see what's going on here. I see what's going on here. I see what's going on here. We want number. Okay, okay. Now let's run it again. And let's run it again. Let's run it again. Because like we should only have, yes, this is what I want, right? So if we have this, right? Right. Okay. We have 4 numbers. The output should have 3 numbers. Okay, cool. This is exactly what I want. This is exactly what I want. Okay, great. Now we can do reduce, and that should give us the output we want. Okay. And wait a second. Standard out. And that's exactly what I want. So we're going to return the output array. Chorus D, I meant. Now you can hear him. Yippee! Nice. Nice. Okay. Wait a second. Oh, that's outside the function scope, right? You have to be within the brackets so the computer knows what to run. You silly goose. Needs to know context. These brackets denote context, by the way. So, all right. Let's see what happens. Well, would you look at that? It works. Would you look at that? Alrighty. So we got our first test case, which is great. Our output is exactly what it's supposed to be. And let's check out case 2. It works with negative numbers, which is great. So it works with unsigned integers. Great. Awesome. Awesome. Let's try and submit this. Let's see what happens. Hello, Crystal Sonata. Welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. Oh my gosh, I had a little ringing in my ear. That was weird. Yeah, we just solved the LeetCode problem. We're almost done. We're gonna play some Sonic Advance, hopefully. If we press the submit button, hopefully this will just work. But knowing my experience, and yes, of course it doesn't work. So, okay, so now we have a new, let's see, reduce of empty array with no initial value. Okay, fine, whatever, fuck you. I did a one-liner, you son of a bitch. Oh my god. Okay, and this fails literally the 3rd test case. Oh my god, that's so annoying. Okay. So our input is now 0, 0, which should just be 0 and 0, because 0 times 0 is 0. So, you know, that makes things a bit difficult. So like, that's weird. Why are we getting reduced of empty array with no initial value? That's kind of fucked. Oh my god. It's kind of fucked. Hello, cat. I know, right? I know, right? Okay, wrong answer, right? And I didn't get any output. Let's see, your output, expected output. I want to use this test case. Thank you very much. All right, and run. I want to see what's going on in case 3. Okay, let's see. Because we should have some output. Like, what? Okay, reduce of empty array with no initial value. Okay, so where number does not equal x, right? So, okay. Okay. So what if we said, but like, here's the thing though. If we said nums n, that's basically the same thing as number or something. Okay, send you a... Oh my gosh. This is bad. No, why you do this? How many people did you meet in the last 2 streams, Melee? I think I met like at least 3 people. I think at least 3. Most of them were Australian. One of them was Australian. I don't know on that one. I don't know. I meet so many people. It's hard to keep track of all of them in my head. I do my best, man. I do my best, to be honest. Fuck. Let's see. Reduce the empty array with no initial value. Okay, well, if there's no initial value, then 0. But it should be like... that's a thing, though. It's like if we do filter, then the number does not equal x, right? So like filter x does not equal x, right? Which is a problem. Oh my god. So I guess I'm not allowed to use filter, maybe. Maybe that's it. Maybe this is it. So maybe instead of doing this, right? I'm gonna keep this reduced because I like that. This is not the problem. Problem lies in here again. So I know. So I guess I cannot use filter because of this one fucking test case. Yes, person turquoise wizard wand. Oh my god. Person turquoise wizard wand. May leave at the right. Exactly. Yeah. So let's see here. We can try an old-fashioned for loop, so I think, or we could do okay, if nums, so we could say something, maybe we could say something like, hold on, if nums n let's see. Because like, I need to know. I think at this point we may need to use a hash map. So instead of doing this output array, right, we're gonna go through nums and we're gonna say we're gonna convert this array to an object, right? Basically. So what we'll say is for each or let hello, your computer has virus. Hello, oh my no, what do I do? My computer has a virus. Whatever shall I do to W2? What should I do? Oh my god. Oh, am I fucked now? Do I need to hand you money? Do I need to install TeamViewer so you can help me unfuck my computer? Is that what we need to do? Do we need to do that right now? Am I gonna get hacked in real time? Hello, this is tech support. Oh my god. I remember actually like talking with a tech support guy for a job at one point. He's like, okay, so I need you to do netstat on your what was it? Your computer. And I'm just like, hell yeah, dude. You want me to do netstat? You want me to do cat this out and shit? And he was like, yes. And we were like checking ports or something to make sure that's, I think it was like MySQL or something was not, it was like our MariaDB instance was not talking or something to our application at the time. And I was having to log into that remotely with a SSH connection or something. Don't worry, Melly man. All you have to do is recode everything, and that should fix the problem. I'm glad you know what's up, Crystal Sonata. Okay. Yeah, but the whole theme of this whole section is to use a hash map. So we're gonna try and make a hash map out of it. My next, so we're gonna convert this into a object, and then it's gonna have like little keys and whatnot. So yeah, it'll have little defined keys, but like here's the thing, if it has defined keys and then we go through do I really need defined keys, I guess, or IDs for everything? Because like, yeah, I guess I do, because it would help. So like if I do have to go over, iterate through them again, and I need to know which one is which, right? I want all the ones that don't have the ID that I gave them, right? That would make sense, right? So each number is going to have an ID. I'll have to parse in whatever the fuck, but it's going to be fine. Okay, cool. So for let n in nums, Okay. So we'll say no France. No, bad. Oh my gosh, why does everyone hate Parasi? Why does everyone in my fandom hate Parasi so much? I don't know why. Okay, I kind of know why, but let's see. And then nums. So we'll say so I need to create an object, right? Foxo needs more programmer shocks. I should get more programmer shocks. That's actually a good idea. I should put that, I should write that down. There's so many things I wish I could do with this model that I wish that I had the time and energy to do. Like, fuck. Fuck, man. Everything takes work. And I just wish that, I don't know. I don't know. I'm always appreciative of any support that people give me, you know, like any art that I receive, I'm always super duper happy about, you know, I'm always like super duper happy about it, you know. But like, yeah. Okay, and then nums. I'm not sure what to do here, to be honest. I guess what I could do is I have an array of objects, or I could say, how do I do this again? Let's go here. Let's take a look at objects or something. Let's take a look at objects. We could do object.entries. We could say that, we could just go through it and just add objects or something like that. You know, we could just say object dot something. We could declare a new object. Let's do that. Let's declare a new object. Let hash map equal this, right? So we say hash map, and then we say n. Okay. Hello, Crystal Sonata. I think art is one of the best things you can give someone that creative, that creates content. Face fuchsia flower shape. Lol. Oh my gosh. I think so too. Yeah, it really is. It's a lot of work. I've done that for several different people, including people I don't even talk to anymore, which is sad, you know. I guess I just didn't like their content, but that's fine. I like their character concept and whatnot, and I gave them a artwork of that. I think. You know. Let's see. And they're like bigger than me now. They've been streaming for like years, and they're like bigger than me now. So let's see. Hash map n. Again. Oh, shit. Hash map n. It's like how do I? It's like I need. Yeah, I need to use this notation. And then I need to say console.log hash map. And then we should have a data structure that has an ID along with a number. And that will help solving that issue with having, you know, the same number in the array, right? Because that's the original problem we're having in test case 3. The same number in the array is what we're trying to solve. So yeah, let's run this and see what we got. Okay, yeah, sure, whatever. I don't care. Yeah. Runtime error, box scripts, unexpected token. I don't know what you're talking about. Let's see. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what they're talking about, honestly. I don't know. I don't know what they're talking about on my output. Because, like, it should just work. Did I do something wrong? Could not find name hash map. Okay, there you go. There we go. Let's try that again. Okay, is there anything wrong? Did I do something wrong? Oh, okay. I think I see what's going on here. Okay, okay. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Okay, and that basically does nothing now. So let's run it again. Okay, here we go. So we have, here we go. We have 0. Here's our ID, and here's our array, I guess. That's not what I expected. For let n in nums. That's like the whole thing. I think what we want actually is nums n. What we want actually is nums n. Here we go. Here we go. That should make it a lot better. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Okay. There we go. So we have our ID, and then 1, and then here's our number 1. Then we have 2, and 2, 4, 3, 6. Perfect. This is exactly what I want. Okay, cool. So, then we iterate once, and then this is interesting. So now we're gonna have to do now we're gonna have to figure out a way to do math on this. We have to figure a way to do math on this. Okay, okay. So now that we have this, so like say we have 0, 0, and then we can have 1, 0. So now when we have test case 3, right? See, these are the same number. So now if we have 0, 0, we have that differentiation right there, which is great. We need that for the test cases because this guy's a fucking asshole and he makes me have to work hard to solve these problems. So yeah. Can I make art using crowns? I will draw you on my walls, Melee. Oh my god. That's like some yandere shit. That's kind of the yandere of you. We should play a yandere game. I kind of want to play a yandere game. I've been seeing that me side game popping in about, you know. Oh, jeez, my neck. You know. Remember, 2 plus 2 equals... What? Hold the fuck up. Hold the fuck up. It does not equal fish. Stop, Crystal Sonata. Why? I wish I could be as cute as Crystal Sonata. One day I will be. Kawaii-ku. Motto kawaii-ku. Oh my. It's like cat math. Cat math would of course have like fish in it. So I think I can do after this. Let's see here. So I guess when we go through I think what we want to do is object.entries, right? If we're gonna go through an object, right, we need to be able to iterate through this object and yeah. Oh, from entries. Ooh, this could be interesting. New map, right? From entries. Interesting. Okay, cool. Let's see here. We could do has own is extensible. What can we do with objects? We do object.values, maybe. Okay, so maybe because like what I really need to do is I need to pluck out 1 and just erase it from there, and then just take all the values and then multiply them together. Oh, thank you. Oh, shut up, Chris. Shut up. Don't make me say it again. Don't make me say it again. Don't make me say it again. Oh my gosh. So yeah, oh, I wonder what this is. Let's see what we got here. Object.seal. What do we have here? Cannot delete when sealed. Okay, interesting. I don't know why I'd want to do that. What I need to do is I need to make a copy of the object that has everything but the entry in it. Is what I'm trying to figure out. So entries, from entries, create. Yeah, from entries is cool, but that's like when I'm taking it from a map. Static map turns a list key value pairs into an object. Let's see. What does object assign do? target source. So expected output A1, B4, C5. Oh, okay. So like, but like, how do I just like obliterate an object? How do I copy an object and then obliterate it? Yeah, that's what I want to do. So like, maybe I could just assign it to undefined. Could I do that? Or maybe delete. I could delete maybe. I could do that. That's what I could do. I could do delete. So like that's what I could do. So like I could say for nums and nums, we need to make a copy of that hash map. So like let hash map to, and here's the thing though. Whenever you copy an object in JavaScript, it always keeps a reference to it, but we want to make a deep copy. So this is how we do this. So we say let hash map copy equal hash map, and we say JSON dot encode. Like I think it's like JSON dot stringify. JSON dot stringify the hash map, which is a creative way of, which is some JavaScript fuckery that we use to make a new copy of an object. This is some JavaScript hackery fuckery that we use to make a new object. So yeah. So stringify and then hash map and then JSON dot parse. I've been using JavaScript for quite some time, so I know a couple tricks. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Hash map copy. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our hash map copy. I kind of want to look at it. So like, we're probably going to see 4 of these, honestly. So console.log hash map copy, right? Okay, cool. This is just me solving this under my own brain power. So yeah. And my culmination of 6 years of experience in the business. Oh yeah. Okay. So let's see. Hold on, what the fuck? It's too loud. Too much noise. Okay. So this is the copy of the hash map. It looks like it should be 0, 1. So 1, 2, 4, 6. Perfect. 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. Okay, perfect. So what we do here is we say we use the index, right? So our hash map copy, right? Okay. So here's what we do. We say n. We say hash map copy n dot. We say delete. And then I want to say and then what we should see is 3 values on each of these. This is what we should see. Okay? Okay, let's see what we got. And here we go. 3 values. Our first one is 2, 4, and 6. Perfect. This is exactly what we wanted. Okay, this is exactly what we want, which is great. Wonderful. Okay, cool. So yeah, we did that. We have that. So now what we do is we add these. We need to find a way to add these all together. So how I'm going to do it is going to be stupid. This is going to be really stupid. Oh, shit. We're going to convert this hash map copy into array, and then we're gonna do reduce, and then we're gonna get it. So then we're gonna. Okay, here we go. This is such stupid fucking. This is such a stupid fucking solution. Holy fuck. Okay, output array. Just say output array. And we're gonna say we don't need to filter anything. Thank fuck. But what we do need to do, we need to take their hash map and turn it into an array so we can run reduce on it. So we'll say, I think we're going to say object.entries or something like that. We're going to say object.entries, I think. That is what I believe. So like, let's see here. For const key values of object.entries. Let's see, that's not what I want to use. I need to convert an object into an array, please. Okay. I'm just gonna look up. Here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna copy this. We'll duplicate this tab, right? Okay. And then we're gonna say. Oh my gosh. Okay. Convert object to array JavaScript. Why would I want to do this? Because I love my array methods and they do very well and they do a very good job. How to convert an object to an array in JavaScript. How do I do this? In ES6, there are 3 variations to convert an object to an array as follows. Well, I mean, I wanted to read that, but okay. Okay, so if I stringify the source before console logging it, I get that. What? That's weird. That's weird. Okay, so var name source map function item dot name with E6. Oh, okay. So what they're saying is what the fuck? What the fuck? As an alternative to the other answers, you could use array.prototype.map. Although it's fairly new and it's not available in older browsers, I recommend ES5 shim. Object into array. So you're saying source.map. Okay, so they're saying I should use just use .map or something. So I could say return item.name. So we would do something. Let's see if this actually works. Okay, I'll just see if this actually works. So we'll say hash map copy dot map x. I need to return x dot I don't know, x dot value. I don't know what to say on that one. Because like because this is the data, right? I don't have a string. I can just, you know, x dot I don't know. How am I supposed to like? How am I supposed to like the value? I need the value. I need the value. You know, like how am I supposed to get that? You know, like that's what I don't understand. I guess. Return item dot because it doesn't. Yeah, exactly. I can't just say item dot name because they don't have all the same properties. They all have different properties. Is the problem. You know, they all have different properties, so I can't just do it like that. Key 1, key 2, value 2. Okay, cool. Object from entries away. Object entries, my object. Okay, cool. Let's see. And that will just give us key. Okay. Object values. And this should output value 1, value 2. Okay. So we'll do object values, and then we'll try that. That should convert it to this, and then we should be able to reduce it. And hopefully that will just work. And I won't have to fucking parse it or anything like that. If I have to parse it, then I'll parse it. So yeah. That's my thought process. Of course. Yeah, this is what it's like to not use ChatGPT. We're not allowed I'm not allowing myself to use ChatGPT in this one. So yeah. I'm not allowed to use ChatGPT. Hash map copy. Oh, stealing it. Copy. Got entries. Then we want values. And then we want to say dot reduce. Reduce ACC. I forgot how that works, so I'm gonna look up the syntax for that again. Unmute. Duplicate. Duplicate. I need to duplicate this. Do not redeem. Ma'am, please do not redeem. I need you to tell me the card number and I redeem. Why are you redeeming the card? I fucking love that place. All right. We're gonna get through this. We're gonna get through this. I promise. I promise. Let's keep going back. Let's keep going back. Back. Oh wait, here. Here we go. Accumulator current value. Awesome. Just say current, and then we'll say, how do we say? Accumulator plus current value. Say. Oh wait, but we need the product, so let's be like times current, and then we do not need the initial value because it is assumed that we have the right values. So yeah. And just in case, wait, what? Wait, what do you mean that's wait, what are you talking about? What? What? Any? Oh, okay. I think I see what I did wrong here. Hold on. Reduce. Okay. Accumulator. Current. Okay. Then I do this. Then I say ACC times current. Okay, cool. And that should do it. And woof, bark. Do it, Melee. Hell yeah. Don't forget that one. And we should have it. Bark. Barf. Looking it. Okay. Bark. I am Woody. Howdy. Foxes do kind of bark, but yeah. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. Okay. What my output though? Can I read properties undefined reduce? What the fuck? Okay. Well, I'll just take this. Let's see. Hash map copy dot values. Okay. Let ARR equal that. Fine. And then I'll say I will console.log ARR to see what that is. And then I'm not going to worry about this one for now. What? Wait a second. What? What was this? What was it? Let's see. Let's just check MDN here. Let's just check MDN here. Let's see. Object.entries, right? Oh, okay. Well, maybe we should just do object.entries. Maybe that would be the proper way to do it. Let's try that instead. Values. Let's try that. Yeah. object dot values. And boom. And let's try that. Okay. Good. This is what I want. God damn. Finally. Okay, this is the proper syntax. So then we say, okay, fine. Then we can do reduce right. Then we can say output array dot push. Okay, cool. We got this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Okay. This is it. This is it. We got this. This it's the final. This is gonna work. It's 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 gonna work. Oop. I'm not used to working with objects in JavaScript, but yes, this should do the trick. This should do the trick. Okay. Ah, yes! Fuck you! Fuck you, I win! I win! I win! I win! Okay. It passes all 3 of these test cases, by the way. All 3 of them, by the way. Okay. Submit. We did it. I did it. We fucking did it. Fucking did it. Fuck yeah. Fuck you, NeetCode. I win. Hell yeah. Alright. Oh my god. I'm gonna put my headphones back in. I wonder how long that song has been playing. Jesus Christ. I fucking did it, man. That's great. This is great. Oh, look what you've done. Hi. What you've done to me. Oh. That was fucking brilliant. That was great. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. I never thought I would solve a problem on stream. I'm super excited. Okay. All right. So now that we finally solved this answer in the stupidest way possible. All right, let's just analyze our answer just a little bit here. Okay. So, what do we have here? I know, right? We did it. We actually did it. We've successfully completed this problem, by the way. So yeah, that was a tough one. This is what coding challenges are all about, you know. So this took me an hour to solve. If this was a real interview, I'd probably not be hired. But you know, we solved it without using ChatGPT, you know. So that's what happens when you solve things without ChatGPT. Use your own brain. Now do the other one. Wait, you want me to do another one? You want me to do another one? Okay, let's see. I just want to go through this code here. I'll just say, so I'm going to explain what we have. So we have our output array, right? We have our hash map, right? No. Okay, for let n in numbers, we create the hash map, nums, and work more, get smarter. I mean, I have thought about doing a marathon stream where I just solve a whole bunch of problems. It makes no sense. Yay. It does make sense. It does make sense. So we put this all into an object, right? We put it into the hash map object, and we explicitly list out the indexes and the numbers, just in case we have a case like this where we have the same number. We can't just my first solution relied on the fact that, well, we can just take out all the numbers are going to be unique, right? All the numbers are going to be unique, right? Whenever we multiply them together, right? No, not so. So we have to differentiate between the same numbers. So how do we differentiate between the same numbers, right? Well, we make a hash map, right? We assign IDs to each number. So each number is unique, even though they have the same number. So we create a little map, right? Which will, you know, if we've console.log this before, we take a look at the output, right? I could just like here I'll show you, right? Hold on, I'll just run this again for you, just so you can see it, right? Okay, so here we have our ID assigned to each number. Each number has its own ID, right? So when we go to here, right, we have 0, 0. We know which 0 we're multiplying, right? So yeah, we need that in order to pass it over to reduce, which is going to basically multiply everything together. which is perfect for this instance, right? Reduce, basically, it'll take the first index, it'll multiply it by the next one, and then it'll take that product and then multiply it by the next one and then multiply it by the next one. Which is exactly what we want to do, which is basically we we multiply everything by itself except the original index. It took me a while to understand this. You just to even understand the question was very difficult. So yeah. So now let's take a look at the solution that NeetCode would have for us. Let's see what NeetCode wants to say. How he would say it.
Hey everyone, welcome back, and let's write some more neat code today. So today let's solve product of array except
Oh,
itself.
sorry.
So this is another problem from the blind 75 list. As you can see, it's over here, product of array except self. So I'm going to be adding that video solution today. And we're getting one step closer to having every problem in this entire list filled out. So for this problem, we're given an input array of integers nums, and we want to return an output array for every single number that we're given, where for each value in the input array nums, we're basically multiplying every single number except that value and then returning that as the result. For example, in this example, you can see we're given 1, 2, 3, 4. So for example, for this value 1, we would want to return the multiplication, the
Yeah, I totally understand what's going on right now.
product of every other value. So for these three values, the product would be 2 times 3 times 4. That's going to be 24. So for the first value in the output, we're going to put 24. Similarly, for the second value, we want to multiply every value in nums except for this value. So that's going to be 1 times 3 times 4. That's going to be 12. So the second value in the output array is going to be 12. Now, the hard part about this problem is basically the restrictions that they give us. So we
Okay.
have to solve this problem in big O of n time, and we have to do it without using the division operator. It would
Yeah, I didn't do that. I did not do that. I did not solve it in O of n time. I just solved it, is all I did. All I did was solve it. So obviously it's not going to be solved in O of n time. If we count, we've made the hash map, right? We made that, so that's one iteration. And then we did a little trick, right, with the JSON parse, JSON stringify, where we take that hash map and we made a direct copy of it, which honestly, converting to a string on an object isn't that expensive, but parsing JSON can be a bit expensive. So add another n to it. It would have been so it's like n2, 2n at the moment. We're at 2n, right? So then, and then we delete one entry based on, you know, we delete one entry based on that. And then we take time to do another operation. So we're doing 3n, right? We do another operation to convert from object values just so we can finally do reduce, right? Which also takes n, so that would have been 5n or something. Kindly add me on Discord to join your live stream whenever you're live. My username is Spencer412. I mean, no. Kindly add me on Discord to join your live stream whenever you're. What are you saying? What are you saying? It seems like you're trying to advertise to me. I don't. You're sus as fuck. You are sus as fuck, and I want to ban you. I'm honestly, but yeah. So we're sitting at 5n at the moment. We're doing 5 operations at the moment, so it's not efficient at all, unfortunately. Maybe it'll be end time. I don't know.
be really easy if we could use the division operator, because what we could basically do is take the product of all of these values, and we know that would basically be 24. So if we wanted
Mm.
the first value, so if we wanted 24, we would take this
Oh.
total product and divide it by 1, right? That would give us 24. If we wanted what the second value would be, we would take the entire product, 24, which would be all of this, and then divide it by 2, which would give us 12, which would be over here, right? Because the division is basically taking the entire product, is take the product of all of these
Okay.
values,
Mm-hmm.
and we know that would basically be 24. So if we wanted the first value, so if we wanted 24, we would take this total
Mm-hmm.
product and divide it by 1, right? That would give us 24. If we wanted what the
Mm-hmm.
second value would be, we would take the entire product, 24, which would be all of this, and then divide it by 2,
Oh, that's fancy.
which would give us 12, which would be over here, right? Because the division is basically
Wow.
taking the entire product of the entire thing without multiplying by this. Divide.
Wait, there is one way we could do that. So what we do is we do the inverse operation, right? So like instead of division, um we're dividing by instead of dividing by the index, right? We multiply. We do the inverse. We multiply by the inverse. So we say 1 over 2. So right. So like if we're going to divide by 2, right, we multiply by 1/2. We multiply by 1/2. That's how you get around this. It's some cheeky shit, but you could totally do that. So like how this would look, how this solution would look. Oh my gosh. So like so like you could imagine. So you would write some code. Here's how it would look. Let's see. Can I do a new one? Can I do a new solution? Let's do a new solution, shall we? Okay, so like the product is self except self. Reset code is okay. Sure you want? Yeah, sure, why not? Actually, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna copy this. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, so what we could do here. What we could do here. What we could do here. So let's say nums. We say nums and then reduce and then divide. Obviously we're gonna have to go through all the nums. So we're gonna say uh for let n in nums. Okay, nums n and the number n equals nums n. Okay. Okay. Cool. So now we're going to be able to iterate through that whole list, right? And then we'll say something like let's see, nums reduce, and we'll say ACC and current, and then we'll say ACC times current, and that should give us the product of all the numbers. Exactly, yeah, that'll give us the product of all the numbers. So, and then we'll say let. Actually, we'll just make that const because that's better practice. Say let, and then wait, what's going on here? What's wrong? Oh, okay, let product. Okay, there we go. And then we'll say product divided by, we can't use division, right? So we can't use division. So what we say, here's what we do. Product times 1 over 1 over num. So let's just console.log that out, right? Let's just console.log that out. I mean, it's, I guess you're still using division technically, but like you're not, because it's you're multiplying by, you know. Let's see. Let's just read this carefully, shall we? Let's read this carefully, right? Let's see. Okay. 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 Let's see. Let's take a look at the question, right? So if we look at the question, right? Is that okay. Without using the division operation. Oh, we have to use it without using the division operation. Okay, fine, whatever. Let's see. So yeah, that I guess that wouldn't work then. So I guess that wouldn't work. Never mind. But yeah, I guess you could try to make the argument that, well, you're multiplying, but the way the question is phrased. So yeah, okay, let's continue on with the video solution, I guess.
Hey everyone, welcome back, and let's write some. So if we wanted,
Oh shit. There we go.
basically the restrictions that they give us. So we have to solve this problem in
Okay.
big O of n time, and we can do it
Uh,
without using the division operator. It would be
fine.
really easy if we could use the division operator, because what
Right.
we could basically do is take the product of all of these values,
Yeah.
and we know that would basically be 24. So if we wanted the first value, so if we wanted 24, we would take this total product and divide it by 1, right? That would give us 24. If we wanted what the second value would be, we would take the entire product, 24, which would be all of this, and then divide it by 2, which would give us 12,
Okay.
which would be over here, right? Because the division is basically taking the entire product of the entire thing
Yes.
without multiplying by this. Dividing this would do exactly that. But we are not allowed to use the division operator.
Fine.
So if we wanted the product of every value in here except the 3, one way we can break it down is basically get the product of every value before 3 in the input array, and get the product of every value after 3 in the array, and then multiply these two values together.
Yes.
And then that's going to give us the value that we would want to put in this position in our result. So it would be helpful for us if we want to do that for every single value in the input array, if we basically just compute the prefix product for every single position in the input array, right? And then put it in a prefix array. And since we're also going to be wanting the product of values after, it would also be helpful if we computed the postfix product of every single position in the entire input array, right? And we can compute both of these in big O of n time. It's a really simple algorithm, right? We'd basically start at the first position. Okay, this is going to be 1. So if we're adding this value, we're just going to take the previous value and multiply it by 2. So this is going to be 2. Similarly, we're going to take 2, multiply it by 3. We're going to get 6 here. 4, multiply it by 6. We're going to get 24 here. And for postfix, we're basically going to do the exact same thing and do it in reverse order. So here we would get 4. Here we would get 3 times 4. Here we would get 2 times 12. And then here we just get 1 times 24, which is just going to still be 24.
Wait,
now,
what?
for every single values, for example,
hold on.
we would want the prefix.
Hold on. What?
We're going to get n time. It's a pretty simple algorithm, right? We'd basically start at the first position. Okay, this is going to be 1. So if we're adding this value, we're just going to take the previous value and multiply it by 2. So this is going to be 2. Similarly, we're going to take 2, multiply it by 3. We're going to get 6 here. 4, multiply it by 6. We're going to get 24 here. And for postfix, we're basically going to do the exact same thing and do it in reverse order. So here we would get 4. Here we would get 3 times 4. Here we would get 2 times 12. And then here we just get 1 times 24, which is just going to still be 24. Now for every single values, for example, 1, we would want the prefix of every value before it. Now, since there are no values before it, we can just say, okay, the prefix for that is just going to be a default value of 1 to keep it neutral. And so we'd also want the postfix of every value that comes after it. We can get that in the position to the right of 1. So we'd want to multiply those together. So 1 times 24. So in the output for this, we would get 24. That makes sense because if you multiply all these together, except for this one, we do get 24. And then we just repeat the exact same process for every value. So over here, we'd want the prefix of the values that come before it, and we'd want the postfix of the values that come after it. So 1 times 12 is just going to be 12. That's going to be the output. Again, repeat the same thing for here. The prefix is 2. Postfix is 4. We're going to get 8 as the output. That makes sense. If you take 24, if you take every value in here, multiply it except for 3, we do get 8. And similarly for this 4, we'd want the prefix 6, and the postfix, there are no, so we just assume that there's a 1 over here. So 6 times 1, this would be the output. So
what the fuck? Just use division. What the why? Yeah, the fact that you don't have to use division, that's wild. Like, holy fuck. What? Okay, let's try this again.
Of 1 to keep it neutral. And so we'd also 24, and then we just
okay, so the output's gonna be 24 and then 12, 8. This is gonna be your output by doing this, which is not the output that you want, I don't think. I don't know, man.
Except for 3, we do get 8. And similarly for this 4, we'd want the prefix 6, and the postfix, there are no, so we just assume that there's a 1 over here. So 6 times 1, this would be the output. So this is a very valid solution. This is a big O of n times solution. We're not using any division operator, but the downside is this is also big O of n memory, but we can actually use this idea because what they tell us is the output array does not count as extra memory. So we actually don't need these prefix and
Okay.
postfix arrays because we can
What?
compute these and we can compute these prefixes and postfixes and then store them in our output array, and that is going to end up making things
I don't know, man. I mean, seems to me like iterating over the array and then, you know, making a copy of the original hash map and then just you know, plucking one out and then adding them together makes a lot more sense, to be honest.
easier for us because we're not going to have to use this extra postfix prefix memory. So what we're going to do is
Okay.
we're going to do two passes on our input array nums. First, we're going to start at the beginning and then go all the way to the end,
All right.
basically computing every single prefix for the input array and then storing the prefix. So for example, the prefix of this is going to be stored over here, right? Because that prefix is needed to compute the result for this position. And so at that point, what we're going to say is every prefix is going to be in the output. Basically, the prefix over here is going to be stored in the second position. The prefix over here is going to be stored here. The prefix from this is going to be stored here.
Okay.
And remember how for the first position, there is no prefix, so we're going to put a default value of 1 over here. And then
Fuck.
after that, we're going to do a pass going from the end to the beginning, computing every postfix. So for example, this postfix, and then in the result, we're already going to have the prefix stored over here. This prefix, right? The first two
Okay.
values is going to be stored over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this prefix and multiply it by whatever is in this position. That's what's going to give us the result that we want for this position. So
Yeah.
let's start off. So far the prefix that we're going to be at is just going to be the default value of 1. So we're going to put a 1 over here. Then we're going to multiply it by what value comes over here. 1 times 1 is going to stay 1. So we're going to leave our
Right.
prefix as it is. Now we're going to be at the second position. So what we're going to do is take our prefix, which it basically tells us the prefix up until this point. We're going to take that and then put it in the output. So 1 is going to be here. And then we're going to take the value that we just reached, multiply it by the prefix. So now the prefix is going to be a 2. So now
Okay.
we're going to be at the third position. So what we're going to do is take our prefix up until this point and go ahead and put it in the output. So 2 is going to be placed in the output. Then we're
Fuck.
going to take the 3 and then multiply it by 2. That's going to give us a 6 for the prefix so far.
What
So
the
at this point, we're
fuck?
going to take our prefix, 6. It tells us the prefix up until this point. So we're going to take it, put it in the output. 6 is going to be put in the last position. Then we're going to multiply 4 by 6, which is going to give us 24. But that value 24 is not going to be put anywhere because clearly we have run out of room to put it. So we don't need to store it in the output.
What?
So now we visited every single value from the beginning to the end,
Okay.
including the prefixes and then putting them in the output array. So now we're going to start at the end and go to the beginning. And
What is programming even about? Programming is about getting basically what is program honestly great question. What is programming even about? It's telling computers what to do. What is NeetCode even about? And finding all sorts of different ways to do it and finding the most efficient ways to do it. And the language that computers use is math. And a lot of these are just math questions, honestly, which is interesting. And I'm not very good at math. And in fact, most programmers don't use a lot of math, honestly. And that's why a lot of these questions use a lot of math, and they ironically get rid of a lot of programmers who would otherwise do a lot of great work. Yeah. So is this a pointless exercise? Yes and no. It's pointless for the job you'll be doing, but you'll learn quite a bit doing it, is what I'm saying. You'll learn a lot doing it, but it's a pointless exercise for the job you'll actually be doing. The job you'll actually be doing is you're going to say, you're a data plumber, essentially. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be making a post request to a server, which will ingest JSON. And then after that JSON, it will spit back a JSON response. Maybe store something in a database somewhere. And yeah, that's all you do. That's really all you do for the most part. That's really all you do for the most part. All this stuff, you're not going to use it. However, in order to get a job, you have to do this. If you want a stable job, you have to do this. So what the market for programmers is seriously fucked. You know, people don't know how to program. They see it as mysterious. Companies hate programmers. They hate people who understand this, even a smidgen of it. You know, they hate those kinds of people. You know, it's just, and that's why they're trying to out automate us out of existence. They see AI as this magic box that can automate us out of existence. But no, we just share our knowledge, and we think in ways that, you know, AI can't, you know. And, you know, programmers think in ways that, product designers can't, which is a great thing and a bad thing, honestly. Like, you know, like all this stuff is just to help you get a job. Honestly.
And do the exact same thing, except we're going to be
And this is one of the easier questions on LeetCode. This is one of the easier questions, by the way.
doing post fixes, which are basically starting from the end of the input
Mm.
array and computing
Mm.
the products.
Okay.
Once again, the postfix is initially going to be
Okay.
set to 1. So what we're going to do
Right.
is take the 1, which tells us the postfix up until this point, basically an empty thing. And that makes sense because for this value 4, we would want the prefix of it as well as the postfix.
Mm-hmm.
But there is no postfix, so that's just going to be a 1. So we can take that 1, multiply it by 6. So 6 is going to stay the same.
Okay.
So that's going to be the result value for this position. But then we're going to take 4 and multiply it by the 1.
Pretty much, yeah. It's like asking a teacher, what's the mass of the sun or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, kind of, yeah. I mean, you may run into a situation where you're working at a very large tech company, like where this would actually matter, right? Like you're at the point where you need a solution that's super duper fucking efficient, you know. But even if you do um, have a solution that's super duper fucking efficient, JavaScript itself has all, especially ECMAScript 6, the latest versions of JavaScript are already optimized. Like filter and reduce and map are already optimized to like give you like solve things in O and of n time. You have to really fuck things up or do those things on top of each other in order to mess it up. You know, so like I know my solution is 5n, so like you have to iterate 5 times through in order to get through the list. Essentially you have to iterate about 5 times through the same list. So if I had like 1,000 elements, 5,000 times basically is how long it would take. It would have to iterate over 5,000 times, which isn't bad, honestly. Which it's not horrible. Like 5n is not horrible, but it's not great. You know, we could do better. You know, O of n is pretty good. But yeah.
In our postfix, so so our postfix is now going to be 4. So
Yeah.
we visited this position. Now we're going to be at this second position. So we're going to take our postfix, which tells us the postfix up until this point, and then multiply it by the 2 that's in this position. So 4 times 2 is going to give us an 8 for the output value. Then we can take this value 3, multiply it by our 4, which is going to give us a 12. So now we visited this value. Now we're at the next value 2. So we're going to take our postfix up until this point, multiply it by the 1 that's here. So this is now going to be a 12. And we can also take the 2 and multiply it by 12, which is going to give us 24, which tells us the postfix up until this point, which is going to be useful for us because we know that if we want to get the product for this position, we're going to need that postfix. So we can take that postfix 24, multiply it by the 1 that's over here. So this is just going to be a 24 now. And, that's the entire result. So we basically did the exact same thing that we did with our prefix and postfix of 1 memory complexity.
Although I will admit, this is how you can do it for he did it in 2 passes, essentially. 1 pass, another pass, essentially. but I did it in 5, so all right, here we go.
Now let's jump into the code.
Okay,
So the first thing we're going to do is create a result output array. So this
okay.
technically does not count as extra memory in the
Basically the same thing I did too.
context of this problem. I'm just going to give each position an initial value of 1, and we want this to be the length of the input array, so we can multiply it
What?
by the length of nums. So first we're going to be doing the
Okay.
prefixes. So I am going to initialize prefix as 1, and then we're going to go through every position
Mm-hmm.
in our input array. So
For I in range, length of nums. So yeah, I guess you're creating result array with the length of nums, prefix equals 1 for I in range length nums. So basically he's going to iterate, he's basically going to do the same thing.
each position in our result output array,
Okay.
we're going to take that prefix and then just put it in that position I, right? And then after we've done that is when we're
Mm-hmm.
going to take the input array value,
Mm-hmm.
nums of I, and multiply it by whatever the prefix happens to be. So prefix is just going to be multiplied by this value. So that's how we're going to be computing the prefixes as we iterate through the input array nums. And we're going to be storing the prefixes in the result output array.
Wow.
After we've done that, we're going to do the exact same thing with the postfix array. Well, almost the exact same thing. So we're going to start at the end of the input array and then go up until the beginning. And that's how you can do this in Python.
Okay, so I see. So he's iterating. So here's what he's doing. He's iterating through the first until he hits the target array, I guess. But yeah, he's storing all the he's storing all the products from the first pass, right? So like basically all the products, basically you skip over, whatever the initial I is, I guess, and you just calculate all the products and the prefix for each position, right? So if we're in position 1, you take the next 2 over. You basically just take the next 2 over, or the next however many over, multiply that, and then store it. And then for the next one, you take the prefix, and then you multiply the prefix. Actually, no, the prefix. You just do all the prefixes, right? So I get it now. So like, I get it now. So if you're at position 1 in the list, right? The prefix is going to be 1. Anything times 1 is going to be itself, right? So yeah. So you do 1, and then yeah, and then you go to the next one, and then you have 2 times 1 or something like that, and then that would be 2. You go to the last one in the list, say 4, so it'd be like 2 times 1 times 3. You put that in the prefixes, and then you calculate postfixes, I guess. It's like you're slowly adding the products together, I think, is what's happening here. I think I see what's happening here. You go forward through the list, and then you go backward through the list, which doesn't really make sense when I say it out loud, but I think I understand what he's trying to do here.
The result of I, we're not just going to be simply storing the postfix value, because we
Oh,
know
really?
that would end up overwriting in the result of
okay.
whatever the prefix we stored was. What we're going to be doing with the postfix is we're going to be multiplying it by the value that's already in results, because that is simply multiplying the prefix and the postfix together.
Which is going to give you the dun 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 the answer that we're looking for. Basically, he's just found a more efficient way to go through the list twice, whereas I went through the list 5 times, essentially. Hold on. Did I even? Hold on. Let's. Yeah, this is my accepted solution. It's like basically I do the same thing. Hash map. And then we make a copy of the hash map, which you iterate through it once, essentially, delete one part, and then convert to an array that costs something. So that's another iteration through all those values, right? N. So we're at 3n. Let's just count how many n's, and then we do reduce, which you iterate through once which is, 5n. We basically go through the list 5 times. Not the worst answer, not the best answer. So yeah. His solution only goes through 2 times. Through some really, really weird mathematical fuckery. If I do say so myself. So yeah, yeah. So I guess with JavaScript, this is how he thinks the solution would look. So product 1, 0 count, 0. Oh yeah, he includes 0. That's interesting. That's interesting. Let me take let's go back to this video solution again because I'm really curious.
Hey everyone, well, by the way, in the context of this problem, we're going to go through an I, right, by this value. So we're going to start
Okay.
at the end of the input array and then go up until the beginning, and that's how you can do this in Python. And so in
Okay.
this case, the result of I, we're not just going to be simply storing the
What?
postfix value because we know that would end up
Mm-hmm.
overwriting in the result whatever the prefix we stored was. What we're going to be doing with the postfix is we're going to be multiplying it by the value that's already in results because that's simply multiplying the
Right.
prefix and the postfix together. Once we've done that, we know we do have to continuously update the postfix. So with postfix, we're just going to multiply it by whatever value happens to be in the input array nums.
All
And
right.
once that is done, we're actually done with the entire problem. Then we can just return the output array result. So this is
Nice.
pretty much the most efficient way to solve this problem. As you can see, best memory complexity, best time complexity as well. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, please.
So yeah, I guess this is a real LeetCode question, honestly. Let's see. That would be product of array except self.
Like
LeetCode
and
2.
subscribe. It
There we go.
supports the channel a lot, and I'll hopefully see you pretty soon.
Well, there we go. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see how he does it here. 2 for loops. Let's see. Const n is nums.length. Okay. Const result is new array n. That's interesting that he does like that. All right. For let I equals 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay. And what are we looking at? It says let product equal 1. Okay. And then we're going to do another for loop with j. J is less than n, I guess. J is less than n. I is less than n. J is less than n. So that's weird. So we're going through it again, I guess. Okay. So yeah. We have I here. We're at I. And then we're like, okay, so now we have I. We have our single one. Now we're going to go through it again a second time. I see now. And then let j equal 0. We're going through. So if I does not equal j, product times equal nums j, which totally makes sense. Honestly, this is a good solution. It's a great solution. It's a better solution than mine even. So it's like, and all it does is just iterate twice. It's actually n squared. So it's not a bad solution. Not a bad solution. Space complexity O of 1, since output array is excluded from space analysis. Hell yeah. See, we could use division, which ironically, this is actually a lot more difficult than it looks, but actually it's really simple. Like I said, the version I did is basically I use reduce, right? He doesn't know how to use reduce because he's not a JavaScript developer. But yeah, basically I would have used nums.reduce, and then we could have just console.log product.num, and we would have basically been there. So yeah, so like, yeah, obviously he's not a JavaScript developer. He's a Python developer, which is fine, Let's see. Time space complexity O of n, space complexity O of 1, since output array is excluded from analysis. Prefix and suffix solution. Holy shit. Wow, he goes through it 3 times. Wow, okay. How is this O of n, though, is what I want to know. Because it's like, you go through it once with the prefix, then you go through the suffix, I guess, and then you go through it again. Prefix, suffix, optimal. Okay. O of n. Yeah, okay. Then I did it in O of n. This is pointless. I don't care anymore. I'm done caring about this. I'm done. I'm fucking done with this shit. I am done with this today. Oh my gosh. Let's play some games. How about it? What do you say? I think it's time. I think it's time for some games. So in it. Alrighty then. How do I? I'm trying to figure out how to like get past my window. There we go. All right. So I am gonna go ahead and get that game set up. We're gonna get Sonic Advance set up. We're gonna go, just bullshit around a bit. I think. I think that'd be a lovely. I think this would end up being a lovely stream after the fact. All right, let me take a look. See here. Smart Fox. Yeah. Thank you. See here. And boop, 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 boop. Okay. Now I should have. Let's get that up and running. That work? Is it working? Oh, I heard that. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that's loud as fuck. Oh my god. I know I can't either. Give me a second. Give me a second. I know. It's okay. It's okay. Wow, that's loud as fuck. Oh my god. Let me find a good yeah. Let me find a good one. I think oh that's weird. I did not mean for that to be there. Whoa, that's kind of weird, isn't it? All right. Here. Do this, and I need Visual Boy, please. Thank you. There we go. Yay. Except I don't think it needs to be that wide. There we go. Oh wow, that's weird. I'm not fat. Stop. Ah. Okay. There we go. Gonna play some Sonic Advance on this tiny ass screen, by the way. It's like I have to look up here. White Foxo! Also, I have to piss, so enjoy this while I go for a piss. Oh, I want my piss joke still here. Nice! Okay. One second. I'm gonna, like, don't piss the PC. I have to mark my territory for a second. Just give me a second. Okay, I'm good. Oh, there's a little demo. That's so nice. Oh my god. My pants are on my ankles, by the way. If anyone wanted to know. Hello, Jordan O'Neill. Yeah, so it's finally time for Sonic Advance. welcome back. How you doing, Jordan? Jordy. Oh my god, my head hurts. But yeah. You just woke up, huh? Well, you missed the technical smart person stream. It's okay. Wow, 2002, directly 1 year after 9/11. Wow, that is. Would you look at that? That's some that is some time ago, isn't it? Let's see what options we have here. What level? Normal. Please make it easy. I'm a little bitch. Nah, let's just do normal. Time up on. Oh yeah, I think I like this one. 9/11 was a fun day. It was, kind of. It was fun for me. Okay. Alright. I'm just gonna go. Let's just start the game. Of course, I want to play as Tails. Maybe I should play as Amy Woes, though. I'm gonna play as Tails, of course. Of course I'm gonna play as Tails. Okay, I did play this a little bit. But we're gonna start from the beginning, because I was just testing it earlier just to make sure that it worked, of course. Ooh, come on, come on. But yeah, no, I like this one. I think they introduced the Chow Garden or something. Ow, what the fuck? I think this was also made around the time when Sonic X was made, but I'm not sure. I would want another. No, I bet you would. I bet you would. I don't know, man. I don't know. The image of people falling out of skyscrapers is probably not the nicest image in my head right now. Unless it's rich people, then I don't give a fuck. Yeah, but yeah. You know. Unless it's rich people, then I don't give a fuck. Oh, okay, now I... Oh, what the fuck? And I don't think I've ever played this game, actually, on Game Boy Advance, to be honest. Hello, Goldfish! How, Fish, is that how you say your name? How do you say your name? I'm not sure how you say. How do you, ¿Cómo se dice tus nombres? How do you say your name? Goldfish. Maybe it's Goldfish. Maybe that's how you're supposed to say it. Do you have the attention span of a goldfish? But yes, I am Melee Man. I am a foxo on the internet. I am a nerd, and I was just doing programming, and now I'm finally doing Sonic the Hedgehog, or Shargnarg the Hedgehog, if you're that one guy, that one animator that I kind of like, that also made llamas with hats. Oh, you motherfucker. Oh my god. What's his name? I love that guy. I love him so much. I want to go up here. It's kind of like Goldfish. Goldfish. Oh my god. I was being silly. I was being silly. Everyone can come back now. I'm done being a nerd. I wish everyone would come back now that I'm done being a nerd. But no, it's yeah. I figured, you know, since I am a Sonic fan character, I should at least play a Sonic game finally, you know? I hope Darnell comes back. He's really into Sonic. And so is wait, I'm not supposed to name him that. I think he changed his name. But I knew him as what was it? Shadow? He called himself Shadow the Hedgehog. He gave himself like Sonic names or something. Not Ender. I want to say it was I know. Epic Mind. That's what his name was. Yeah, Epic Mind. Whoop. Zora es listo. Listo. I'm listless. I'm a listless motherfucker. Wow. Listo. I know, I forgot what listo means. I don't... Maybe I should explore more a bit, but I don't want to. I want to get through. Phew. Hey, extra life! Hell yeah! Listo is smart. Listo? I thought it was inteligente. Oh, thank you, thank you. I actually concluded that my solution to that one problem is O of N time, even though it's not like super duper efficient. Because it goes through the list once, and then again, 5 times, so it's like N times. It goes through the list N times, so I did it efficient enough, I think. As a JavaScript developer, usually that's pretty good for most companies, I think. But anyway, oh shit! I forgot this part. Here we go. Boss time. Ow! Oh god, okay. I used to be really good at this. Okay, here we go. Come on. Fuck you. Haha. Oh, come on! Ow! Oh my god! One ring! Haha! Fuck you! I like this one. I like this episode. I wonder if I could actually get crushed by that at the end. That would suck if I could actually just get crushed at the end, but yeah. Hello, Crystal Sonata. Welcome back. I guess we could say you're playing as your childhood waifu. I mean, you're not supposed to know that, Crystal. You're not supposed. How do you remember that? How do you remember that about me? Wrote battery. What is that supposed to mean? Did the battery have memory or something in the Game Boy Advance or something? That's weird. Yeah, I don't think I've ever played this game before. Not this one before. Like, the one I remember playing was, like, Sonic Advance 3, and that was for, like, the Nintendo DS. And that was when I was familiar with. So, like, whoop, 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 whoop. No thank you, no thank you, no thanks. Haha. But yeah, of course I would play as my childhood wife. I thought Tails was hot when I was 8. I was like, dang, you know, Tails is kind of cute. Big bro. And then she's like, you gay. And he called me, like, gay for, like, the longest time. And you know, he called me gay for years after that, you know. So, yeah. But I didn't know Tails was a boy. I thought Tails was, like, a girl, you know. It was like, I didn't know, okay. I didn't know. So, yeah. I don't know, but maybe I was always into knowing stuff and being intelligent, and I wanted to be smart. Even though I know I'm not smart. Or as smart as I could be. I don't know if I'll ever be, like, Tails level smart. I think Tails has, like, a, I'm not gay! I'm not gay. Please! Oh, sweet! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! And then I get punished for it. Of course. And again. Wow! Wow! Okay. Hey, Foxo, that I will call you Smart Foxo. Thank you. Yes, I'm very smart. I'm so smart I have lisp. Do smart people have lisps? I don't know. I kind of thought about having a lisp just so I sound more nerdy, but, like, I don't know. I don't want to turn into Birdly, though. Like, my greatest fear as a smart person is not being treated stupid. It's being, like that character Birdly that everyone thinks is so annoying. He's like, ha, I'm so smart, haha, because I'm nerd and I read things, but I'm actually really stupid, haha. You know? You know, I don't want to end up like that. But then I think the reality is just owning it. You know, that's like the trap that smart people fall into. It's like, you know, it's like you know a lot and then you're paranoid about not knowing everything. And, like, you have to not be paranoid about that. You just have to own that shit. Be like, yeah, I don't fucking know. You know? And, like, people appreciate you more for that, too. You know, this is what I've noticed, you know? I don't try to, like, you know... What are your opinions on modern Sonic shows? Like EX Sonic Planes, Sonic Boom, and Sonic movies? I have no opinion on this. I'm really glad that one of my favorite actors is the villain. So ironically, I really like was it Jim Carrey as Eggman? I think it's a weird choice, but you know, I can roll with it. I'm glad Jim Carrey gets to be Eggman. I'm glad Jim Carrey gets to be Eggman. Wow. I can't, you know, after watching, what's that one show called? Pingas. If you've watched them. Yeah, no, I haven't watched them. I'm just the Pingas man. Wow, he has such big pingas. Yeah, you wait for the camera's Tails. You wait for the camera, Prower. No. Like, the new Sonic is okay. I don't know. I haven't watched all of them. I was Sonic X, and honestly, Sonic X is kind of cringe. But, most Sonic stuff is kind of cringe, to be honest. The only good Sonic that I actually really like... Oh, why can't I go back? That sucks. Oh well. I guess I'm not allowed to. The only good Sonic that I really appreciate now is, like, Archie Sonic comics, to be honest. Yeah. He did, yeah, lol, Jim Carrey did so good on his Rome in the movies. His Rome. I feel like Eggman is like Birdley from Deltarune, but like 10 times worse. He lets his own ego get in the way of his IQ. The thing is, you would think that he wouldn't be predictable if he was capable of, like, you know, having superior pattern recognition skills as a doctor. And yet, he's easily foiled by the simplest, like, the simplest animals just ruining his day. I am lost as fuck in this map, to be honest. I have no idea where I'm going. Wait. I think I saw something. Yeah, they were. Yeah, no, I met someone who's like really into that in a Discord. Thank you. Yeah, into a Discord, and she knew every single Sonny Archie comic thing, and I'm just like, holy crap, my autism is not that powerful. I'm sorry, I spent all my autism points in programming. Holy cow, thank you for the sub, thank you. Thank you for the subscriber. Oh my god. So once I get up to 500, I'm told I'm supposed to wear a maid outfit. I'm glad I set it to 500. I will literally like make a maid outfit, and I'll wear it, and then we'll have like a maid stream. It'll be so much. Oh my god. Like a maid stream, you know? And, ouch. Are you serious right now? Oh my god. Anyway, we'll play like Jenga, I'll have different personalities, I'll be like a tsundere, I'll be like not gay, I'll be like, I don't know. I'll come up with all sorts of things. It'll be like a maid cafe experience. It'll be a celebratory stream, yeah. Melee uses special points on, I used my autism points on programming. That's a good... I should play that game too. I actually do have that game too. I do have Fallout New Vegas, but I just never bothered to play it, honestly. Do I want to go down here? Left or right? I'm gonna go right. Let's go right. Good choice. Like, I'm actually surprised how extensive these maps are in the Game Boy Advance. Uh-oh. Wait, what? What? Okay. Ow! Oh my god. Okay, so he's just gonna follow me? Oh, okay. I guess I just hold on to my rings the best that I can and avoid the edge. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Okay. Wow, this is pain. This is absolute pain. Oh, good god. I don't think I'm gonna live. I'm not gonna live. What? Oh my god. Okay. So he literally just goes where I'm at, I think. Okay. Shit. Yeah, this is not good. Oh, okay, so I can't fly, okay. Wow! This is lame! Wow! Just keep rings and kill him like a Japan playing kamikaze. Maybe so, yeah. Kamikaze. Maybe if I just, yeah. What the fuck? That's bullshit. Okay. Oh, okay, so I have to jump. Okay. Got it. I think I got it. Ow. This is pain. Okay. Got him! Okay, got him. I figured him out. Okay, there we go. So his homing isn't perfect. I see now. So, Coconut. Just keep there we go, there we go, there we go. Tails got through Act 2! Finally, finally. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Right. Of course, we got our Casino Paradise Zone. It's time to gamble, everybody. Remember, kids, gambling is fun and great for you when you feel hopeless because there's always a chance to win. I'm just gonna fall down to the bottom. Yep. Oh, that's weird. Let's go down. Oh, yeah. Let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go down. Okay. Boom. Whoa. Okay. This is giving me like this kind of reminds me of like Sega Genesis 2 vibes, honestly. It's like giving me Sega Genesis 2 vibes, but not like, you know, how do you say? Meow. I can't remember. I wish I could remember playing this game, but this game feels like a fever dream. I don't know why. Why is it always Sonic Advance games that feel like a fever dream, honestly? Yeah. Let me up. Oh, nice. Can I just... I guess it was supposed to come up from another place or something. I always get confused on these maps. Oh, okay. You're gonna push me back there? Okay, fine. Be that way. Come on. Let's go. Oh, wow, okay. There we go. Yeah, I don't want to go there. Yeah, like down to the balloons and everything. Yeah, it's like a mixture between Sonic 2 and Sonic 3, like, casino zones, honestly. Like, I don't know what it was about Sonic 3, but it, like, reminded me of, like, going to Party City, to be honest. I feel like, meow, is honestly such a mood. Of course, the cat girl would be like, meow. Yeah. Hell yeah. It is a mood, I guess. Yeah. I need to catch one of your streams one of these days, Crystal Sonata. I need to. I probably would learn a lot more Spanish if I watched your streams, honestly. Gato se ña? Or my cat's gonna be like, yo, what's that cat doing here? Is there a cat? Did you get another cat? Did you get a cat? Meow. Am I becoming a cat fox? What is up with VTuber foxes always end up turning into cats at one point? Sega. Who doesn't love Sega? I love Sega. Sega deserves more love, honestly. They really are bootstrapped, I feel like. Are they even still around, to be honest? Wow, ow. Mm. Meow. Wait, that's really? That's how it is in Spanish? Almost like we say meow in Spanish. It's like basically the same thing. That's cool. It's like basically the same thing. I like it when we all agree on things. It's great when we all agree on things. It's also boring too, because sometimes, you know, it's always nice to start shit. Or find someone who's starting shit. Yeah. Oh, okay. Wait, what? Okay. What the fuck? Can I just not? Can I just hide in the corner? Can I just? I love Sega, but I'm so mad. I'm so sad that Silver was, introduced in Sonic 06. He deserved, but oh, okay. I finally take damage. Okay. Come here. Gotcha. Boom. Haha. I guess standing on this ledge helps. Yeah, standing on this ledge definitely helps. I'm just gonna wait for him. Okay. What you gonna do next? What you gonna do next? What you gonna do next? Oh shit. Okay. Ah, that was terrible. That's terrible. Got him. I don't know. He might time me out on this one. I like how his eyes bug out. Hell yeah! Oh shit! Okay. Oh shit! I got no rings. I'm gonna bomb this. I'm gonna bomb this one. Oh my fucking god! Oh my fuck. Okay. Okay. Holy shit! Okay. Come on! Oh my god. Got him! 0 rings. Hell yeah. It'd be awesome having you on the streams. That way we can be catified and Spanish-fied you at the same... Yeah. Oh my god. I would... Yes. We should collab sometime. That'd be so... Oh, sweet! I didn't know there's an ice level. That's so cool. Literally how it is outside for me right now. This is what it looks like outside right now, except it's not as pretty. And we don't have the evergreen trees or mountains in the background. This is literally what it looks like outside right now. Oh, okay. So now I'm slowed down by this. Okay. Boom! Everything's covered in ice. Also me. This is cool. Ow! Oh my god, they have the same penguin. Literally the same penguins from like Sonic 3 the Hedgehog. Let's see. Fuck, so with the rings. Alright, let's see if we can get that. Hell yeah. Cute Femboy Fox says, yeah. For his viewers while enjoys the music. Hell yeah. Whoa. Okay. Oh god. That does not look like fun. I don't think I want... Oh, look, he's swimming. Look. Okay. He can swim. I like the swimming. I like how Tails can actually, like, swim. But we gotta get out of this water. Oh my god. Yeah. No, thank you. Fuck you. Ooh. I was getting slightly nervous. Just slightly nervous. Okay. Oh, nice. Wait. There we go. This is actually pretty chill, honestly, for a Sonic game. I don't know. I always thought the Sonic Advance games were actually pretty chill, you know. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Yeah, give me those rings. Oh, hello, Chaser9. I kind of I actually do know someone in real life that's like that. God, I hope you don't know me in real life. This would be super awkward if you actually knew me in real life. Be like, well, so this is what you do in your spare time. Holy shit. Yeah. How are you doing? Oh my god, I actually do know someone with that. Do you like Tails because you relate to him because you like the character, or did you also make your VTuber models yourself? I did make my VTuber model myself. I did. I drew this myself. I actually drew my sister her own VTuber model too, and oh my god, I'm stuck here. I think I have a YouTube. Oh, you have a YouTube channel? Nice. Hell yeah. That's cool. So you're not like, I know someone with your name and in real life, and I freaked out for a second. Oh shit! Ow! And then I immediately lose all my rings. Now, am I supposed to go up, or you have to do stuff like what? Bitches and coke. Bad boy. Bet. I have a YouTube channel. Oh, what do you mean? Oh, like what? But yeah, no, I spent a good month making my VTuber model. I'm not live 2D, by the way. So like, this server and this server is almost 3 hours. Oh, you mean the stream's almost 3 hours? Yeah, no, it's actually going pretty great, honestly. It's actually going exactly better than I imagined, honestly. I'm gonna keep streaming for a while, I think. But yeah, you know, 2 hours, 30 minutes? Hell yeah, hell yeah. Okay. I don't know why I say server. I don't know. See, what was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? But yeah, no, I'm not live 2D. I use Inochi 2D. So like, instead of, I use all open source technology. So like, what do I say? I'm running this on Linux. I'm not using, it's just kind of something I do, I'm actually trying to work on the Niji Live project, which is what powers my VTuber model nowadays. Which is a fork of Inochi nowadays. So yeah, all open source. I never paid a single penny for any of this stuff. I didn't pay for Live 2D. You can actually do VTubing for free if you want to, by the way. And really, I should release a thing on how to do that. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So everyone, I get so tired, and actually, because I use such a very out there software that I help maintain. It's I'm like trying to work with Voop Chat at the moment to get like what do you say, webcam, virtual cam support, so I can stream my model with other VTubers. The reason they won't give me, though, is because I'm not live 2D, or I'm not using, Vroid or any of the mainstream, VTuber software. So I'm special, and they hate me. I'm being discriminated against for using an Ochi 2D. I'm being discriminated against, obviously. So yeah. Oh, that's so cool. You're so cool. You know what? Oh yeah, you want to see something? This is my full model. I also got like filters and shit. So like, I know, right? Inochi racism, indeed. Oh my gosh. See, what else do I got? Do I have terminal? Let's see. What else do I have here? Can I do this? I can do this. See, can I do this? I don't know what that is, to be honest. Can I do this? I can be glitchy if I want to. I got rainbow. I can be a rainbow if I want to be a rainbow. So yeah. Now I go. Oh, okay. I hug you. Come here, chat. I love you. Good. Take care of yourself. I promise. Anyway. So see, what was I gonna say? I have some weird color correction going on. Well, thank you. Thanks, Foxo, for the stream. You're welcome. See, do I have chroma key? This is what happens when I take off chroma key. But yeah. I got all the do this. But anyway. Let's I guess I'll keep playing. But also what was that? What I was gonna say? I can also put things on my head. Now, which is great. Because and the reason I use Niji Live is because or Niji Expose is because I only in Niji Expose can I put things on my head, right? It's like hold on, like for example, I can do these. I can do these. Hell yeah. Can't do that in a Nochi session. So if you're gonna get started with a Nochi session, definitely do the Niji Live branch so you can have these cool glasses like me. So yeah. Anyway. How do I? Okay, need a drink. Okay. Whoa, I can actually like speed through the game like that? What the fuck? That was wild. Like, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Come on. Oh my god. You need to make a tutorial now? Yes, you're absolutely right. I do. I do need to make a tutorial. I will make one next week. I promise. Actually, I had a model that I was working on. A girl model version that I was working on, so in fact, I think I should do a girl model version because that's a lot I don't know. It's a lot more difficult. There's more moving parts. There's the long flowy hair, there's like the little keychains and the I don't know, tendrils and I don't know fuck what else. You know, there's some asymmetries and whatnot. I follow a lot of how I built my model was based off of like watching people just mess with the Nochi, and also this other tutorial that this other artist gave, although it's kind of old now. It's because Anochi's only been around for about, I think it's been around since 2022, so yeah. It's kind of new. It's kind of new. A little bit new out there. A little bit new there. I also don't use like phone tracking. I use webcam tracking with Google Media Pipe in PuppetString. So yeah. Unfortunately, PuppetString is closed source, but oh my god, are you serious? Are you serious? Can I do this? Can I do this? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. I see. Oh, I see how this is supposed to work. Am I supposed to... Oh, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. This sucks, man. Okay, okay. Now imagine if I was Sonic. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, 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 okay. Come on! Get over here. Got him. Oh my god, that was close. Oh my god, that was close. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yeah, bring him down faster. You're only making this easier for me. Come on, come on. I fucking dare you. Oh, jeez, okay, yeah, I'm just gonna forfeit that. I'm probably not gonna win this one, to be honest. Oh my gosh, that was close. Okay, let's try getting on this one, and then... Oh, come on. Come on, seriously? Seriously? Oh my god. Oh my god. How would you do this if you were Sonic, to be honest? Like, seriously. How would you do this if you were Sonic? Got him. Okay. Okay. See. Oh, okay. Yeah. Is that what you're gonna do? Is that what you're gonna do? Ah, okay. Oh, I see. That's how I'm supposed to do it as Sonic. I see now. Ah, come on. Give me something. At least they're all in the same place, right? Come on. Is that all you got? Come on. Woo! Get down. He's ironically making this easier for me. Ah, you dumbass. I'm eating McDonald's. Why are you eating that crap? Oh my god. Stop supporting McDonald's. You like my live stream? Thank you. Oh my god. You need to make a... Yeah. I like your... Well, thank you. I'm glad you like my live stream. I appreciate it. I thought I would do a Sonic game at some point, you know? Because I haven't done it in so long. I usually do a lot of Undertale content because people ask me to, usually. So it's like, Angel Island Zone. Interesting. Oh, okay, that's weird. That's a little funky. That's a little funky. I also like to play a lot of like Super Animal Royale. That's like a game I like to play a lot. It's like my comfort game at some point at this point, to be honest. I also do a lot of programming, you know, so I do a little bit of programming. I thought I'd do a little bit of both and then like do a lot more on the streams, I guess. Because like I need to practice for like, you know, job interviews, but I also want to keep streaming, you know? So it's like, you know, I have to leave, but if or when you stream, I'll be sure to tune in. Yay! Thank you, thank you. Thank you. I'm glad. I'm glad. Yeah, maybe I will do a tutorial video after this. I want to collab with, I want to do a collab with a couple other VTubers too. Like, I'm not sure. They have to be really chill though. But what I want though is I want more Inochi people to like collab with. I'm tired of dealing with live 2D people. They're just like, oh yes, you have to have an iPhone. I'm just like, yeah, I just use a webcam, you know. I just use an effing webcam because I'm cool like that, you know. Oh jeez. Oh. iPhone hate. Yes, iPhone hate indeed. Hello, Backslash. Welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. I'm surprised you weren't here for the programming session. I thought you were a techie. I thought you were a techie because you're all backslashy. Maybe you're more networking. You're more of a networker. That. Networking is cool too, though. I wish I was a little bit better at networking, because then I could actually hack better. The best I can do at the moment is like, oh, I can maybe do a reverse shell without getting caught. Maybe. I can maybe leave a backdoor inside an SSH, but like, I don't know. I'd need a tutorial. Oh my god, are you... Good fucking... Oh my god. I like how Goldfish doesn't know if it's day or night for me, which honestly it's night for me, but yeah. Fuck. I am getting my ass reamed by this one. Oh my god. What? That's what that looks like? Can't stitch code together. Why am I obsessed with going up there? I keep thinking there's something up there, but I don't know what. Oh, okay. Okay. I can stitch code together when I need to. Hell yeah, hell yeah. That's cool. That's cool. I'm kind of like more like I can network if I need to. If you know what I mean. I feel like I don't want to fall here, and I feel like I'm glad I'm Tails at the moment. At some point, I feel like something's gonna fall on my ass. And I'm just like... Maybe I have to be a different character in order to make use of these little ball things that I'm not sure what those are for, you know? Maybe I feel encouraged to play as a different character. I wish du warst Windows. I'm kind of amazed how I can just sit. Am I supposed to go up here? Is this how it's supposed to be? Okay. Alright. Here we go. Wait, do I go to... I guess maybe I go to the left? I don't know. I feel like I shouldn't go here. Oh, nice! Oh my god! I had no idea if that was like a place where I could die or not. Like I was like, what? Am I gonna die there? Am I gonna die there? To be honest. Yeah. Interesting. So, maybe I'm supposed to go up. maybe I'm supposed to go up or something. Maybe up is where I need to go. Boom! Take that! But yeah. Okay, yeah, maybe I am supposed to go up here somehow. But, like, where do I go? Oh, that's cool. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Okay. So I guess go up here. Go up here. I'm gonna avoid that because I can just fly, because I'm cool like that. Okay. Let's see, maybe if I go this way. Okay, that's just another power-up. Alright. Do I go left, maybe? This is what I hate about old games. They get confusing, and I'm just kind of like, what the fuck? Oh, this is... Oh my god, this is just like Sonic 3. I love this part. I love this part. I love that. See, do I go here, maybe? And I love mountains in the background. Mountains are just best, man. I wish I could live in a place where there was mountains, honestly. If I could, I would just live in the mountains and just never come back down. You know? I would hide from the CIA in the mountains, you know, and just be like a, I don't know, just live in the wild with a log cabin or something even, or the dirt, you know. That would be ideal, honestly. And I wouldn't have to make any money. All I'd have to do is hunt and grow food. And then when I don't have to, I can just have internet connection. I can just stream all day, you know. That would be the life, man. Oh my god. If there wasn't this thing called taxes, death and taxes, man. Finally, we finally made it somewhere. Ooh, okay. Okay. I don't think I want to go down there. Finally, oh my god. There we go. I'm gonna take another drink. I hope one day I finally get hired for a tech position. But I also hope I don't. Because, I don't know. Wow, I just died. Okay. Fall and die, why don't you? Fuck this game, man. Fuck this game. Yeah, screw this. Screw this. I'm flying. Wow. Oh my god. Now it's starting to get hard. Oh, you don't like sand? Do you get sand in your vagina or something? Back when I used to think Tails was a girl, and I thought Tails had a vagina, but I didn't know what that was back then, because I was... Really? Really? Is this... Really? Is this how we're doing it? Is this how we're doing it? Is this how we're doing it? Oh my god. Tails femboy. I want to be just like Tails when I grew up, to be honest. Well, okay, maybe that's not completely true, but you know. Oh my god, that can crush me that way too? Wow. Okay. Crush mechanics. I really wish I could make a Pipkin Pippa one. I want to make... I don't know, I don't want it to be a platformer. I want it to be like a running gun, kinda. But like, Oh, jeez. Wow. How am I alive? How the flippity fuckity fuck am I alive? Yeah, it'd be like running a gun, and then you could like get different weapons and just go like shoot up a Walmart or something. It'd be like Wreck-It Ralph, except it's like Pippa and in a Walmart, you know? That's how I would do it anyway. And I've made similar games before, I think. We could probably do something similar. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Wow. Really? Okay. I guess I gotta lock in. Here we go. kind of like Soldat or something. I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with Soldat. I'm familiar with the Flash games or the run and gun kind. I guess it would be like, oh my god, are you serious? It's like a run and gun game, but you like upgrade your gun or something, or you upgrade something about yourself. And I like give you like little perks, like, I don't know, like disarming appearance or something like that. And then it'd be like, you'd go on your shooting spree and you'd get points. And then over time, right, you would face more difficult enemies. Like you would face, at first, you would face, you know, the local police, of course, or maybe just ordinary people, or citizens who may, you know, bash your head in with a assortment of melee weapons, perhaps, or their fists, or maybe a citizen will pull out their gun and try to shoot you or something. And then that would be like base 1 enemies, essentially, or the people you've made your enemies. And then like it would be from there it would go on to the local police, and then it would go to the federal police. And then eventually maybe the National Guard. yeah, that'd be National Guard. And I think that would be a good, that would be pretty good, I think. That would be pretty good. You know? I'm pretty used to making tower defenses for the most part, but yeah. Oh Jesus. I just don't know where I'm gonna fucking fall and die, to be honest. This is what's freaking me out, because I'm like, oh man, am I gonna fall? Am I gonna fall? Might be showing my age with that one. I was a side-scroller shooter. WASD to move and mouse to aim. I don't know. Soldat sounds like Sega Genesis era, doesn't it? Or like SNES era, isn't it? Hello, Crystal Castaneda. Then the Galactic Council. Yes, the Galactic Council. Pipkin Pippa. Oh my gosh. And like I don't know, each time she like kills more people on in a Walmart, or kills higher value targets in the stream, we'll have like high value targets, and then you'll get like extra points that you can spend to upgrade your setup, to shoot up Walmarts in, I guess, which is fucking horrible when I say it out loud like that, but you know, but like that's like her thing, you know, it's like her that's like Pippa's thing, you know, in Minecraft, of course. Like there's like a whole clip of her doing that, and that's like, I've wanted to make that game for like a whole ass year, you know. But like, I think I could program it. The problem is, I don't think I could have good enough art to do it, is the problem, you know? Like, my art style is pretty obvious. Like, I don't think I could use my art style and then do a Pipkin Pippa game. Oh my fucking god. Are you serious? Oh, Jesus. Come on. Like, I'm actually lost. I am actually lost in this game. If anyone can help me, please help! Come on! Wow, I can actually fly for quite a bit. I'm just gonna fly everywhere and then pray that I don't die everywhere. Nice base, though. And I like how they punish you with certain ledges. And flying, too, honestly. That's what I appreciate about this Sonic game. It's like, yeah, you can fly, but what happens when you run into an object and then you suddenly latch onto that object and then you fall anyways? Maybe that was by accident, on purpose. I think it was on accident on purpose. Pretty sure it was accident on purpose, to be honest. Ba, 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 ba. Oh, cool. Cool, I'll take that. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let me up, let me up, let me up, let me up, let me up. Okay, okay. Okay. Maybe I go this way? I don't know. Yeah, show me what's up here. Show me what's up here. I remember in the later games, Oh. Oh, okay. Is this how the special stages go? I didn't think I'd get one. Get 30 rings? Oh, shit. Fuck yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. How am I supposed to... Oh, okay. I think I understand. What the fuck? This is wild. This kind of reminds me of Iridian 3D. Oh my god. There's too much happening. There's too much happening. I can barely see what's going on. Oh my fucking god. No shit. No shit. Oh, come on. Ah! I didn't know there was a special stage. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, I see now. So, like, you can just go back and play these again. Okay, whatever, fine. I know, I suck. Jesus. That was so unexpected, though. That's kind of cool, though. Hmm. I really don't like all the falling, to be honest. Get up there, get up there! Okay, there we go. Okay, we're fine. Okay, maybe we're not fine, I don't know. Oh my god, are you serious? Maybe I need to go to the right? That's weird, honestly. Oh my god, nice. Oh my god, it is. I thought I was gonna die. I thought I was gonna die. What? Oh my god, checkpoint? Fucking finally. Oh boy, here we go. Oh, okay, so I got... Oh, okay, I can't touch him that way? Okay, fine, whatever. Fine. Gotcha! Too slow! Boom. Oh, come on. Boom. Ha! Easy. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Okay. Does he ever stop? Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Wait, what? Holy shit, did I actually... No way. Wait, what am I supposed to... Oh my gosh. That was different. I wasn't expecting that. To be honest. Almost died though. Oh my god. Are we almost done? I want to beat the boss. Give me the final boss. Egg Rocket Zone. Ooh. We're finally getting close. I think we're almost to the end of this game. Just a hunch. I'm not sure, but I have a feeling. I wish I could get like a sprite style like this, but I don't think I'd be capable of making a sprite like this. I need to learn how to make sprites at some point. That'd be so cool. VTuber first, though. I can't move. Okay. That was weird. There we go. It's probably gonna like super weird. We're gonna do like all sorts of weird stuff. Meh. See if I can... Oh wow, only one ring. Wow, you stingy motherfucker. Oh my fucking god. Only one ring? Really? Fine. Whatever. Oh my fucking god. Fuck me in the ass, man. I'm fucking done. I'm fucking pissed. Fuck off. Whatever. Fuck you. Oh my god. Sega. No, Sega's great. I like Sega. Come on, let me in, let me in, Okay. Okay, 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 let's take a look at the Tiny Chow Garden. I don't think we ever seen that before. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, yeah, I forgot about this part. You get to have, like, chows in this game, which is kind of cool. Just pet it. Just pet it really nicely. Let's see. I forgot. Let's see. I like the Chow Garden, honestly, but I'm not sure... What the fuck? What is this supposed to be? I think I vaguely remember this. Oh yeah, this is like a mini game, I think. This is like a mini game, I think, for like the Chow Garden, and it's like a matching game or something. Nice! And then you like get rings out of it or something. I don't remember! Come on! Fuck off! Oh, it's like rock, paper, scissors. I forgot. I think I remember this one. There we go. Okay, I think I get it. Oh, come on. Let's see. Give me a scissors. What? Oh, okay. There's a time limit. I see now. Let's see if I can get one. I want to see what happens when I win one of these. I want to see what happens when I win one of these, to be honest. Okay. Yeah, you leave me alone. Darn, okay. Ah, I can't remember. God damn it. I'm very bad at this memory game. Come on, there's gotta be a way to do it better. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this eventually. Okay. Even though memory isn't my strongest suit, to be honest. But yeah. Okay. I can't believe I have to remember all of these. I can't. I literally forget as soon... Like, I have no recollection of any of this shiz. Ah, why? I have an idea. I'm gonna take a screenshot. I have an idea. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Okay. God damn it! God damn it! I was too late. Okay, it's too late. Hold on. I'm not gonna delay that. Okay, so I'm gonna say okay. Now I'm gonna purposely fail this. I'll fail it anyway, to be honest. So I'll be like, okay, there's that, and then we got... Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, I'm gonna screenshot this. I'm gonna screenshot it, and then I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna screenshot this. Okay. Okay, I have two of them. Okay, I can see it on my screen. I know where two of them are. Okay, I know where two matches are. Okay, here we go. Okay. So I know this one. I think this one got moved over. Okay, cool. Alright. This one. Nice. got this one. And this one. And then should be this one. And this one. And I'm not sure on this one, honestly. I don't know. Okay. Okay, I know where that one is. Nice. I did it. I can't believe I actually beat this. Oh my god. I cheated, but I beat it. I beat it. Haha, I win. Haha. I can't believe I actually beat that. Wow. Wait, so I guess that's all I get for beating it? I don't get anything out of this? Oh, fuck this game, man. Fuck this game. Why did I play this game? Come on. No. Stop. Why do you do this? Go away. Stop. You suck. I don't care. Like, get me out of this game. Get me out of these. Get me out of here. I don't want to play the game. 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 Ah. Okay. Let's see if I can do this in a reasonable amount of time. I think I could get this game pretty easily, to be honest. Oh, come on. I don't think these games were designed to be won, to be honest. Whatever. I'm done. I'm done playing this game. I'm done playing these games. Let's pet our Chow. Let's pet our Chow and take care of our Chow. Okay, I'm done. Wait. No, I didn't want to be done. I wanted to beat the game. Goddammit. I wanted to beat the game, honestly. All right. Let's do this one again. There we go. Okay. I want to at least beat the game. I should at least beat the game today. That would be good, I think. Start. As miles per hour, please. I think we made it all the way. Okay, there's like 2 more zones after that. We were so close. We were so close to beating it. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh my gosh, okay. Drink. Here we go. Hello, Beans! Hello! How you doing, Cheetah? It's good to see you again, oh my gosh. We're playing a little bit of Sonic Advance. Oh, Jesus, I forgot about that one. I have not beaten it yet, but we are really close. We are super duper close. I think, yeah, we're at like I think it's like the second to last stage. And I died. Oh my god. Yeah, but Sonic Advance for the Game Boy Advance, I'm pretty happy. Came out in 2002. And I'm actually kind of surprised how good it is, considering how long ago and how simple and how small the game system was at the time. Like, I vaguely remember playing this at one point, but I don't think I ever beat the game, honestly. Like, I think my brother had it at some point. Oh, gee. Why? I'm Fire, and it's good to see you again. Hell yeah. No, same. Yeah, earlier we had, like, a very, very nice, long, lengthy coding session, nerd session, and then I discovered a new way to, like, do a software problem, which was, like, insane, honestly. How do I... Oh, yeah, wait, I gotta go here. That's right, we gotta go full force. We can't be afraid. Can't be afraid. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's weird. That's funky. I know, right? It was pretty fun. It was fun. I liked it. I learned something anyway. Or I kind of learned something. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Okay, 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 okay. That was close. That was really close. And we're gonna get hit. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my god, I made it. Oh my god. Ah! I'm still working on a few projects, you know. Still working on, you know, that Wheel of Fortune thing. I'm working on a game at the moment. Hopefully, maybe, I don't know if I'll stream that, to be honest. I feel like streaming programming is kind of boring, but, like, you know. I know, like, everyone comes for games for the most part, but, you know. We'll definitely... Now you can hack the government. Ha! Hack the government. The only way to hack the government is to go to DEF CON. And that's how you hack the government, because that's where all the federal agents go to learn how to not get hacked, but they get hacked anyway. Because they don't know. Because nobody wants to work for the government. Unless they're really desperate, or don't care, and just like money. You know? But yeah, hacking the government would be incredibly hard. I don't know. Although it is possible, though. I think someone hacked one of their email servers. I think it was like, his name was, what was his name? He was on Breach forums for a while. What the fuck was his name? He went by, Pom Pom Purin. His name was Pom Pom Purin, yeah! Yeah, no, he's like super duper hacker, you know. Although coding and hacking aren't the same, to be honest. I feel like. Let's see, wait, let's see. There was actually someone who was a furry, hacked Project 25. I don't know if you hear. I vaguely heard that, yeah. Honestly, you know, while I probably am kind of on that side, I don't feel like Project 2025 is in anyone's best interest, to be honest. I don't know. Project 2025 is kind of weird, you know. I feel like with that, they got their pants caught with their pants down, and now they're not gonna go through with it, you know. But also, I don't know what's going on with that in that Mr. President's mind, honestly. Although I do find it interesting. I do find it interesting, though, that he's trying to annex Canada, which was something I wanted to do. I just didn't think I'd actually see it happen. I didn't think I'd actually see it suggested. I think that's kind of funny. Yes, get in the tube. Get in the tube. I'm gonna get in the tube. What? I'm going to eat these guys. Have a nice rest of stream and wonderful night. Fade, spoosh your flower, save. Okay, Crystal Sonata. Thank you for coming. Oh my gosh. There's a group of furries. Yeah, I remember. I don't know. I did know someone who was a hacker that is now in federal prison. Although, the way she did it was a bit, it wasn't really a very technically impressive hack, to be honest. It wasn't a technically impressive hack. But what she did do was it was an insecure Amazon AWS bucket, right? And, she just took all the credit cards from those insecure AWS buckets and, just publicly posted them. Yeah. And then she's like, yeah, I have a target on my back. And then she publicly bragged about it. And, she did it on purpose because, I don't know, she's insane, you know, and she was a genuinely mental individual, you know, just kind of struggling. But yeah. Oh my god. And I died as I tell the story. Oh my god. And I died. At least this isn't Sayoban. I would be fucking pissed if this was Sayoban. Oh my fucking god. Okay, let's try that again. Nice! Come on, give me 100, give me 100. But yeah, no, I knew her in real life, unfortunately, and she was the one who taught me how to set up PHP and how to debug a PHP system on a Linux system. Very useful information, by the way. So, like... yeah. Free food and rent in prison, I guess. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. It's, I think she's in a very not-so-nice prison. She was looking to get, like, mental help, but I don't think she's gonna get better mental help, unfortunately. I want her to get better help, too, honestly. Like, mental help as well, but, like... you know, I don't think she's gonna get that in federal prison, unfortunately. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna die. Ah! Wow, and then I did. Oh my god, why? Why is this game so hard? Is it how to not fuck up being a crook or murderer? Brag, pretend you know with a straight face and hide the body. Don't ask how to not fuck up being a crook or murderer. Don't brag, pretend you don't know with a straight face, hide the body. I mean, yeah, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much, exactly. I wonder what versus is. I'm kind of curious. Can I do Beefus? Bepkis. Bepkis. Oh, okay, so it's like a single pack mode. I guess it's like, that's weird. How do I go back? Okay. I guess we'll try again. I don't have to start all the way. I do have to start all the way from the beginning. Oh my god. Okay, okay. That's fine. That's fine. I don't think there's any, how do you say, save states on this one. Or I don't know how to do save states on, VBA in Linux. I'm not gonna be real with you. I don't know how to do save states. So yeah, I might just have to play this one again. Cutscene. I want to finish this though, because like, I thought it would be nice and short, kind of. And it kind of was, you know, but like... Oh my god. Why am I talking about murder? Because everyone wants to get away with murder. If the rich can do it, why can't we do it? I mean... Oh no! Oh shh! Oh shit! I forgot about this part. That's right. That's right. Okay, there we go. There we go. There's certain parts on this map where you have to commit. You have to commit. Wait, how high can I go? Okay, never mind. How high can I get? Ooh, 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 okay, okay. Okay, maybe I don't want to go here. Maybe I want to go this way. Is this where I want to go? Is this what... I never know where I want to go on this map, to be honest. Exactly. The rich get away with it. Why not us? I know, right? They shouldn't, though. It only matters when... Oh, Jesus. Wow, that was weird. Well, I don't know. I am actually kind of tired. It's almost 4 a.m. I know, right? That was weird. I know, it was weird. It was so... Did you see that? Did you see that? Hold on. I'm gonna go to chat. I'm gonna go back to chat and see what's going on here. See what's going on here. What's going on? Meow. See, we got game crash. Yeah, the game crash. Tails was sent to the Shadow Realm. I'm gonna have to send you to the Shadow Realm, Jimbo. I miss Jimmy Neutron. That was so good. That was so good. Anyway. I think I'm pretty tired, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and call it here. Thank you all for coming. I really appreciate you. It's been fun to see you, ZL1 the Cheetah, and also you, Crystal Sonata, and Backslash. It's been great to have you guys, you know. All right, I'm gonna say ja matinee. I'll see you hopefully on Sunday. We'll be doing Genocide of Sans. I will finally beat Sans. Either that or Sans will probably bend me over and fuck me in the ass with his bone. So that's probably what's going to happen, to be honest. Okay. Good night, Cheetah. Good night, Backslash. You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna go hide under the bed now.
sitting there and telling me, you have everything you can do is sit there and tell me I'm not good enough for you. But you can